All right. Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. It is June 12th. The whiplash is a bit staggering. We had yesterday, Trump said that he was going to hit Iran very hard tonight, then cancel the strikes, announced a great settlement, and a great settlement has been reached. And then he says that the deal could be signed this weekend in Europe. The Strait of Hormuz would reopen once it's signed. And quote, the whole Middle East is very happy. Market rips, NQ recovers from yesterday's lows all the way back to London high and above. Literally like a 1,400 point total swing. Oil comes down crashing. VIX is easing a little bit. Silver ripping, gold ripping. We're holding back near 29,700. We have Michigan sentiment today. We have SpaceX IPO and a potential deal signed this weekend. So a lot of shit to go through. But how's everybody doing? Good morning. Good morning. Who won the cup? It was Afro Miyagi, but your boy Spud came in third, so we'll take those. Yeah, we're gonna get these cute little trend lines going, but they're not cute till Marion comes on. Otherwise, they're just trend lines for now. Then she can come on and call them cute trend lines. Our cute, what's the word I look for? Discretionary trend lines. So, yeah. It's Friday. So there's literally not any reason to be sad or not at maximum buy potential right now. We've got a whole day ahead of us. We have a whole day to make money, a whole day to chill and hang out. So lock in, get ready. Michigan's sentiment should have just come out. It comes out at 9. I thought it comes out at 7. All right. Well, we got time before that comes out then. Let's do it. I'm ready. I didn't try escargot yesterday, by the way. Went to a Peruvian place. Let's ride. So, jumping right into it. So, obviously, of course, we cover all the macro stuff first. This is the war market in its most purest, most violent form. 18 hours, you have complete 180s on the tape. So, yesterday morning, Trump comes out, tells you the U.S. Or says that the U.S. would hit Iran very hard tonight. Market completely knifed on that, right? We covered that. So literally right into it, flat into the close. No overnight positions, protect your capital, have a telegraph strike. Then that strike gets canceled, right? U.S. and Iran exchange attacks for a second straight night into from Wednesday into Thursday. And then Trump canceled the planned strikes. He announced a great settlement has been reached. He said the deal could be signed this weekend in Europe, well, possibly in Europe. The Strait of Hormuz would be open once that deal is signed. And then he spoke to Gulf allies and Netanyahu, and that the whole Middle East is very happy. And we have not had an official response from Iran. So in the span of a singular overnight session, we went from hitting them very hard tonight to great settlement being signed this weekend. That is a violent narrative reversal of this war. You have horrible news, great news. The lesson that I want to hammer in on this is exactly why, not like you can, but this is why you don't hold into overnight, or more so holding throughout the day and marrying a position or a direction, because anyone who got max short on very hard tonight got absolutely destroyed by great settlement. Anyone who was max long before the strike threat got absolutely destroyed. The only ones that are winning are either you're like more or less gambling right before news, but not knowing that news is coming, or you stay flat and then you react to it. And I think that kind of discipline is going to save you in a market like this. So, of course, with that kind of news, we see oil crashing, right? It's at 85.47. This is the cleanest tell that the market believes this deal is actually happening. If you have oil in free fall, oil's tumbled more than 9% from yesterday's highs. And if you go all the way back to like a recent swing high, it's 11%. So oil is that telltale as to why it matters more than anything. And it's because oil is the single cleanest market for pricing a war. When oil crashes on a peace headline, that's smart money in what I would imagine be the energy pits. They're voting that this conflict is genuinely just de-escalating. So equities can get faked out by a Trump tweet. We see it happen a little bit with oil, but the physical oil market, I think, is a little bit harder to fool. Wouldn't it be crazy if Iran was invested in SpaceX? Yeah, it'd be kind of crazy. Oil below, let's see, 85. Come on, let me zoom out. So for me, if we can stay below 85, nice psychological level here. Below 85, and I think that the market's going to continue to believe that the settlement or the great settlement is real and it's happening, and that the Strait of Hormuz reopening is starting to get priced in, and that the inflation pressure that drove CPI to 4.2% is about to reverse. So at 85 level, for me, we need to see below on oil for all three of those. And so that last point I think is a big one, the inflation pressure, because we saw that as a pass through into CPI. The hot headline inflation prints, CPI 4.2%, PPI 1.1%. That was all oil on headlines. So if oil keeps crashing, next month's headline inflation comes down fast. And then the softcore readings that we already got become the whole story. So that's a very, 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 my opinion, a very, very bullish setup for the back half of June. And if you look across the entire board, it's very consistent, right? We have silver is up 4.17%. Gold up 2.45%. I mean, obviously NQ's up, ES is up, oil down 2.6%. The VIX is down 0.82%. You have precious metals strength in increasing here. And I think it's a little bit interesting because normally gold and silver fall on risk on days. And today they're up alongside the stocks. So I think the read is that this is a falling real rates kind of move. So oil, if with oil crashing and inflation set to cool, I think the market is starting to price in that the Fed, pricing that they could cut later in 2026 is my opinion. What I'm gathering from reading online. Obviously, lower rates lift both stocks and precious metals simultaneously. So that's kind of like a Goldilocks returning signal. Inflation scare fades a little bit. The Fed gets cover, and then everything rate sensitive kind of rallies. Morning, Real Crispy. How we doing? Feeling bull? I feel bullish. I feel very bullish. Because yesterday we talked about how the four pillars that we're continuing to harp on, the four being AI CapEx, earnings, the Fed slash rates or yields, and then just market uncertainty, unknown expectations. So the four main things. Yesterday was kind of bearish. AI CapEx, QQQ's recovering, NQ's recovering. I would say that we've kind of priced out the Oracle CapEx anxiety that we kind of saw on their earnings. I'd say that on the earnings pillar, you do still have Oracle AVGO hesitancy or questioning around those earnings, but then you have Fed and yields. So back to our like fundamental news. So we have soft core CPI, soft core PPI, and crashing oil could be the cut conversation. And then expectations are phenomenal because with the war, we have a great settlement potentially coming this weekend in a Strait of Hormuz opening. So we have at least three of those main pillars that we've gone on about starting to flip again. And so the war went from very hard tonight yesterday to great settlement today. And I think that the inflation pillar is starting to strengthen as oil crashes. And that's the inverse of yesterday's setup. But the catch, this is what I think keeps it from being a very clean, completely send it long type of setup. And we've all seen it happen so many times. The deal is announced. It's not signed. We literally just had a deal that ended up just falling through the cracks. So Trump said it could be signed this weekend in Europe. That's a very, very, like reading between the lines, that's a very specific risk profile. The bull case side of this, if the deal gets signed, Monday's going to gap up huge. Oil's going to collapse. Hormuz is going to open, or the Strait of Hormuz is going to open. The war premium completely unwinds, and then we could see a major leg higher. The bear case, we've heard this deal is close many, many times before in this war. Each time something broke. There has been no official Iranian response yet. If the signing falls through this weekend or Iran walks it back, Monday is going to gap down and we're right back in this war trade. This is the weekend risk setup. You have a completely binary event, the signing. It's happening while markets are closed. That's the same dynamic as the telegraph strike, just in the opposite direction. So you obviously can't trade the signing in real time. So for me, I'm going to be extraordinarily bullish. Maybe not extraordinarily bullish. I'm just bullish, but I'm respecting the weekend signing risk. That reversal is very real. Oil has confirmed it. The pillars that we talk about are flipping green. It's the path of least resistance. That's up. So I'd be buying on dips here. I just might reduce a little bit of size, obviously heading into this weekend. And then we either get a deal signing or a deal failure. The problem is the weekend rhetoric. It's either going to happen or it's not going to happen. And it's a binary that we're just going to have to wait and see what happens. So it could be more whiplash. We've seen whiplash from yesterday with very hard strikes to a settlement. So we have to you just literally have to respect the risk. And that's that. So on NQ, what I'll be looking for is obviously taking out this London high at 675 while also defending this low at 260. So I will be watching that 260 level for bulls to hold. Asia high is literally right at London high. So to me, that's just stronger conviction for why we'd see more resistance and then the pop. And of course, Asia low is, let's see, literally the candle right before this. Yeah, Asia low and London low are very close. So this is a tight range for me to, I mean, it's 400 points, but like chart wise, this is tight. So I want to see this hold. I think we have a phenomenal opportunity for a GP long around 384. It's really close to these levels, so I'm just going to be mindful. I'm going to play very slow today. It is a Friday. I had a great week. I don't want to risk any profits, so I'm going to play pretty slow. You'll probably see me paper trade a little bit today because I'm going to protect my. I haven't traded anything yet, but I'm going to be protecting my fundeds today. We'll be aiming for the $250 a day on these fundeds, but other than the opening strat play, I'm going to be cautious. Don't want to mess around and find out here. And then obviously oil, I think sitting at 85.59, below 85. I think that the market believes that the sentiment is true, that we're repricing peace. Below 82, or actually even just below like 83.23, this low, but more importantly, below 82. I think that we're getting back to pre-war pricing, obviously, and then the bear side of this would be over 90, would be like Dow. Oil's not going to go that high. I just say it right now. So oil is very clean signals, so though we'll watch it today. Spot out a potato. As long as he sounds like he knows something to you. Wait, what? As long as he sounds like he knows something to you noobs. UWS. What the hell is that? Underground Wall Street. Follow the money, not these fake gurus. Pure speculation, flip a coin. Wow, that's some solid advice, brother. Honestly, flipping a coin is arguably what I've heard to be what only the best of the best know how to do. I would love if you could teach me that, my friend. I would love it. That's so good. Also, I'm also in a real life potato, like Spud's love without exercise gym swimming bee, bro. That's pretty funny. Morning, Nick. How we doing? Spud, do you have an open trade now? I do not. I'm waiting. It's so funny because I wanted to short this high, but I hate having a trade on while I'm going over the analysis, so I didn't. That's very unfortunate, but it is what it is. But I like when we reject Asia high and don't get the close over it. New flip a coin strat. I'm going to try it. Iran's denying a Sunday agreement signing. Is that? Oh. All right. Well, like we just said, we did not have any response from Iran. Excuse me. Of course that's happening. It's better to see a face talking than a potato. Yeah, but the potato is live. Flip a coin for the opening strat. I think we might have to. So today, what I'll be looking for, obviously, I go over basically 4 scenarios, right? 2 extremes and 2 like more probables. So the 2 more probable scenarios that I see, we have deal optimism, and that's going to send us towards like 30K. NQ is going to hold around 29,000. It needs to hold here. Like I was assuming, actually, previous day high, 29,000. Let me put this up. I should probably start typing what these levels are, but I'm just so lazy. Previous day, not low. Previous day high at 29,554. I really wanted to see us hold that, but we didn't. So I really need to see us defend Asia and London low around the 320, 250 mark. And then we can get a continuation while oil continues to crash. I think that's the best case going into the weekend. The more likely scenario that I think we end up seeing is that we just chop this whole 400-point range because it's a Friday and we have weekend binary, or we have a weekend binary. And so I think we do chop between London high, London low. People are probably going to be taking profits and just reduce risk ahead of the signing. And so a little bit nervous consolidation before the highs here, or near the highs of London. And then other scenario, I guess we could see maybe like my third most likely would be we get a late fade into the close here on just the signing uncertainty, especially because we just had Iran come out and say that this is false. Actually, I would bump this up to be my second most probable now. Iran saying that this isn't true. So signing doubt is probably going to start creeping in. NQ is going to fade from the highs into Asia low, London low. And we'll see if people start to de-risk ahead of this added uncertainty. I don't know. I think SpaceX's IPO already got priced in my opinion. Spud, I did it. Going to request my first payout from at the end of the day, 20 trading days. Fife, you should be an inspiration to anybody in this chat who has been trying to get a payout and been struggling. 20 days is a solid amount of time. That means you have been committed, disciplined, and you didn't tilt. That's fucking awesome, dude. Congrats and happy Friday. Enjoy your weekend. That's so awesome. Morning trade 007. Longest though, that's awesome. Yeah, that's sick. So anyway, I'm going to be buying dips, probably but they need to be clean defenses of Asia low, London low. And I'm going to be trading the bullish bias, just not going to be chasing anything. And I'm going to be watching oil. Oil could be pretty interesting. And I also watch for Michigan sentiment that comes out in basically like an hour and 40 minutes. So the Michigan inflation expectations, 9:30. Michigan inflation expectations have been, in my observation, the Fed's nightmare gauge, that unanchoring watch. So after 2 soft core prints for CPI and PPI, and then you have oil crashing, a cooling Michigan number today would complete the Goldilocks picture. So watch for it. That picture is inflation fading. The Fed cover building, war de-escalating. A hot Michigan inflation number would be the I need a good metaphor. It'd be like the one shitty porridge. So the Fed needs a cooling Michigan number. Hot would be no good. And then someone just brought up SpaceX. So I think we've already priced it in, but I think that when it does come out, we're going to see a pretty big move. So SpaceX will be the largest IPO in history, and they have a reported $250 billion demand. So a mega, like, Giga Chad IPO can suck the liquidity out of the broader market as funds raise cash to participate in this IPO. So watch for any kind of liquidity drain, excuse me, in the afternoon. And also a sentiment tell, a blockbuster IPO debut signals that the risk appetite is fully back. So I'm interested to see this SpaceX IPO later. If we get the deal to be signed this weekend, oil's going to collapse to pre-war levels. Strait of Hormuz is opening. The war premium completely unwinds. Monday's going to gap up. I think we're literally smashing through 30K. If it falls through, that great settlement now becomes another false dawn, which we've seen several times before. That war premium is going to return, and Monday gaps down. So I think literally in like 18, 24 hours, we've gone from very hard strikes to great settlement. And it's a very violent reversal. And I think it's a good like teaching moment for us as we watch the market. So yesterday we talked about it. Relax going into the overnight. We didn't know what was going to happen. That very hard strike statement is the clearest possible signal to not try trading the overnight. So if you wake up to the great settlement happening, or you see it happening throughout the day, like, it's tough. You get knifed trying to long before the strike comes out, and then if you tried shorting after the strike comes out, you got destroyed by the great settlement yesterday. So that reversal is crazy, and you get run over by it. So this kind of market, you just have to relax, protect yourself, have stop losses, and don't chase. I think the bull case is very strong today. I don't necessarily think we'll be shorting, but we'll see what happens if Iran comes out with some news. If they come out with a bad response, then like they kind of just did in sorts, could be kind of crazy. So I will be watching pretty much only longs for today. I don't think I'll be looking for shorts. Again, unless we get, if we get more negative news or more walking back on a deal, then maybe I can consider shorts. But you've got to, if you're getting run over a little bit, you have to understand that temperament is going to beat prediction here. Monday, we had war fear. Tuesday, Wednesday was recovery. It was phenomenal. Then Wednesday, we also had war, like, that's what I'm looking for. They war puke. It's like the only good word I can come up with. And then Thursday, we had the relief rally. Thursday midday, we had the very hard knife. And then later after that, we had the great settlement rip. So we had literally like, I actually don't even know how many things I just counted, but we had several reversals in just 5 days. So no one can predict that kind of sequence. Nobody calls all these reversals. What you can do is you can respect each of these binaries, take what the market gives you, take your profits aggressively, don't marry direction, don't chase, don't hold risk into a telegraphed event that could literally be catastrophic for the market. The traders who survived this week, the brutal week, are the ones that are not trying to be heroes and bag hold something. Go long, go short, take your profits, get out, be happy with the money, survive the week. This market's not going to reward people that can figure out how to predict this shit. It's going to reward people who have steady temperament. And this week really proved it. So into the weekend, we have a potential signing. If it happens, Monday's going to be a party. The market's going to go absolutely nuts. If it fails, Monday's going to be very ugly. We don't know. I don't know it. You don't know it. So we'll see what happens. That's why today I'm kind of taking size down a little bit. Probably going to be trading just a few micros and make sure I go into this weekend, into next Monday, clear head and ready to go. Remember, there is always another trade. So be mindful. Where's Stud Nick the Potato? Funny enough, this has been a great week for me. I've actually done phenomenal this week, and it's kind of crazy. Oh, you can't even see the past couple of days on here, but yeah, I was looking at my stats and I was like, damn, this is a good week. But it's the volatility in the range makes like the opportunity for so many setups possible, but also gives you the opportunity to burn yourself. Yeah, SpaceX IPOs later today. It should be interesting. Watch for watch the liquidity around that time. I'm sure a lot of firms, a lot of funds are going to be trying to participate in that. You were always great. Oh, yeah, you are always great. The great manipulation. Oh, that's a weird phrase. Yes, Amos will be on TTV later today. We do have several guests as always. Defo buying some SpaceX and just forget for 5 years. Does that include the 40 bandos we walked away with? No, I did pretty well apart from that. But yeah, that was pretty cool too. I forgot that even happened this week. Spudno's looking huge today or what? It's extra long this morning. Give you for the Spuddy. We'll see. We're gonna get into it this morning. Yeah, I mean that's pretty much all I have for you guys. I think today's going to be pretty interesting. Obviously, we're going to get a significant pullback off of the idea that this deal might not actually happen. Since the highs at 660, we've dumped about almost 300 points. These moves pre-market are crazy. That's the GP right there. That's the. I just fucking missed it. Damn it! I was gonna take a micro on that. It's too late. It's too late. I don't want to get in it now. That would have been a beautiful trade to at least be holding. We would have gotten in like around the 390, 395 mark. I don't want to get in another 20 points. Maybe I could do one micro. No, I don't really want to chase that. I don't like that it's falling on news right now. Otherwise, that GP would have been really nice. Still would have been like a 30-point move. But I'm going to wait. And I'm going to regret waiting if it ends up ripping. SpaceX not met the whole. Yeah, I feel like SpaceX going to open, pump, and then dump pretty hard, and then I'll buy it. Hit your stop loss by a hair. That's literally the worst feeling ever. It's so frustrating. All right. Nobody go anywhere. We're going to take a very, very short commercial break and flip into our opening bell segment. But thanks for tuning in this morning. Hope that helped a little bit. But yeah, Godspeed, God bless, and I will see you all in a minute.
Good morning, everybody. We are back. We are back. I'm actually just adding one more micro to my lungs. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you are crushing it. Jimmy knows what to do. Tosh knows what to do. Put a big fat 1 in the chat if you're ready for the day. Put a big fat 1 in the chat if you're ready to trade. Put a big fat 1 in the chat if you're interested to see what happens with the SpaceX IPO, which obviously I see all the questions around that. Put a big fat 1 in the chat if you think Tradeify TV is the best trading TV out there. And of course, put a big fat 1 in the chat for the one and only Lord Sputnik. Speaking of Lord Sputnik, let me introduce you to the one and only golden looking GP trading, definitely not gambling, never DCing, deep frying, MOC slapping, X giveaway, code sender, king, Patrick throne, sitting, easily baited 3 times, patty patati, soundboard abusing, cattle master. What is that, Spud? I have no idea what you're doing. Naipo controlling public hero trading or hating death to fight. What the heck, dude? I can't even imagine. What's happening? What is happening?
You gotta keep going.
Wait.
Oh my god.
That threw me off so hard. Well, Lord Sputnik, good morning.
Good morning. Oh my god.
So fucking hard. What the heck?
I was going back and forth with Claude this morning. I'm like, I need an intro. I need to match the intro.
It's sick. But you gotta play it when I'm done, dude. We're gonna do
it's like the hype as you're doing it, like it's playing and like
okay. You know what we should do? We should check how long my intro takes. So it's 30 seconds. Exactly that. Oh, you did that.
Yeah. I prepped. It's like literally exactly 30 to 35 seconds, depending on how fast you do it.
I messed up. Okay. Well, we'll be better next week. My bad.
Yeah, I'm gonna refine it later too, so I can like squeeze it down a little bit so everybody can see it, because it kind of like goes past the borders.
All right. Nice. Nice. Everybody asking regarding SpaceX IPO. Here's what I think it's gonna be like. Thank you for your attention. I won't touch it. There's absolutely no way I will touch that. Zero way.
Touch it. I'd love to short it at some point, but
oh, we'll see. I'm in a long right now on the Nasdaq, so we'll see how that goes. Yeah.
Definitely bullish. Just a little nervous on this Iran saying that they haven't heard anything about the agreement.
Oh,
that's my
is that on Finchers?
Yeah, they basically it's funny. We were literally talking about it. I was like, the only concern right now is that Iran hasn't said anything after Trump said that they had a great deal or great settlement coming. And then someone like typed in the chat and they go, the claim of signing the agreement on Sunday is pure falsehood. I'm like, oh, okay. Welp. Taco Friday.
Yep. I mean, yesterday was pretty insane. The good old taco candle. Taco Thursday, that was
nuts.
Isildur's like, so we go short? No, I said, I will not touch it. I will not go long on it, on SpaceX. I will not go short. Just nothing. I'll just watch and enjoy how some people make a bag and some people hold a bag for a very long time afterwards, hoping that it's going to go back up like a rocket. But
yeah,
who knows? Maybe I'm wrong. So no confidence in it. I'm not an expert around IPO, so I just won't touch it.
Fire.
That's my analysis right now. Are you gonna play it, Spud?
Nah. It'd be fun, but nah.
Nah. That's a yes, but just small size, everybody. I know it. I know this, Spud.
Yeah. might have to dabble in it, you know. I just like I don't know how much is it's IPOing like. It already had the split, right? What's it? I don't even know what it's IPOing at.
I think 135 now. Not sure.
135.
Res K says, Nick, stop dancing. I'm not dancing. I'm, well, technically a moonwalk is a dance. Oh,
it's blown up.
Oh. Does it again. This is round 4 now. So we have 2 more to go and then it should work. You know, it's not broken if you know how to fix it.
Oh, that's what it is?
Yeah, that's what it is. Literally that. Ian moves at that moment, asks, is the treadmill going to work today? The answer is no.
And the answer is no.
No, nor.
Nar.
Oh. All right. What are you doing? What are you seeing, Spot?
I like longs. I really wanted us to hold that previous day high level at 544, but we didn't.
Yep.
I wanted to buy the dips. I wanted to buy this GP since it was right around Asia and London low. But like I said this morning, I'm a little like I'm watching oil. I think if oil holds below 85, NQ has room to move back up. But I don't want to jump into anything too fast. And I'm going to be very cautious today because, of course, we have a massive binary event this weekend of the settlement signing. We haven't heard from anything from Iran, whether or not they're going to walk back on that. And just a little like, I don't want to ruin a good week by getting ahead of myself on trying to, get anything too soon. I'm bullish. I'm just being very, very cautious because of what we have coming on the weekend. Oh yeah, Goyle. My bad. Goyle.
Also, I told you before already, but just for the chat, Congoman was right again during the London stream. Right now, I see him in the chat, and he says, "DFTR, dip before the rippy." So I guess that's the prediction for the day.
Dipping for the rippy.
Sputnik, no offense, but you sound like a real professional trader when you're not a potato.
You like my macroeconomic rant? Well, the macroeconomics, like, you can only rant about macroeconomics for a little bit. So I like that in the morning. It sets me up, and then I can kind of like relax a little bit, get in the spuddy vibe, and then trade and chill. The macro, I don't think many people want to hear the macro stuff for too long either. Like, I think it can go over your head.
I think it's a good mix. It's a good mix. Oh, there she is again. Screaming.
There it goes.
One more. This should be the last one, and then it should work. Because this is round 5. We'll see.
It's round 5.
Yeah, we'll see. Trader X3 says, honestly, Spot, I think your morning analysis is pretty spot on. It's spot on.
It's spot on. Appreciate it. How about Rippy and another Rippy to take my micro to daily max? All right, Ricardo, let's go. You're probably half naked right now. Can you guess what I'm wearing?
Well.
Who's your alter ego, Spudnik or Nick? Nick.
Okay, wait. There is the real prediction from Congo Man. He says, let's plan for the dip before the rippy. In already 679.25 on the September contracts. Expect to move down to 394.50, down to 370.50 on September contracts, is what he's saying.
Interesting. I'm just really upset that we didn't end up taking that freaking GP because I was nervous of the news move, and we would have fucking.
Okay.
Anger.
Taking a screenshot of that.
Marcos, that's funny. What's going on with Tradeify lately? Miriam holding longs for 12 hours. Spuddy becoming economic outlook guru. What's next? We want our DGens back. I'm back. Yeah, the Jew said the Geneva Agreement's falsehood. I don't know where that informed source is, which is also crazy that you can just drop news like that and like we don't know where the source is from.
Also, there's a SpaceX IPO prediction from Congo Man, 33.83 to 38.33%. All right, let's see. The ticker for SpaceX is SPCX, by the way, for those of you who wonder. But I will not touch it, as said. No way I'm gonna touch that. All right, let's see. I'm still in this long from 29,493. So currently about 50 points in drawdown with 5 micros. Oh, okay, that was round 5. That's round 5. Now it failed 5 times, so the 6th time it should work. Count 2.5 minutes from now, and you'll see.
2.5 minutes. All right. It was 8:11 basically on the dot when you said that.
What?
It was basically 8:11 a.m.
Okay, perfect.
On the dot when you said that.
You'll see. You'll see.
Wow, that freaking GP.
Sabazanikitse. Nick, can we get a giveaway? Absolutely. If we get a like goal. Let's do to start 404.
Okay, I like that.
Yep, 404.
404 means you're banned from a website. If you ever get that error message.
Yeah.
Or not 404. That's not found. What?
That's error message. Yeah, 404
Which
not
one's,
found.
Oh wait, which one's the one you're banned? Banned error.
I have no idea.
Message code website. It's 403, I think. Yeah, 403 forbidden. Yeah, if you ever open up a website and you see 403, you're banned.
I've never had that, so I
IP
guess I behaved. That Chris bounce. Where did I enter? Well, you can't. Are you seriously? You can't see that? I mean, the average is right here, 29,493. You can't zoom in more, so. Congo Man, am I gonna get cooked?
Earlier was good.
Am I gonna get cooked? I don't know. We'll see. We will see. Schrödinger says, nah, 403 includes bad logins, Spud. Spud.
Hey.
Nice voice crack. Ew.
Yeah.
Okay, 45 seconds.
Oh, yeah, before it blows up again.
No, before it won't blow up again.
Hey.
If it survives to 45 seconds, we should be good. 30 seconds.
Cash my parlay out for 650. Nah. Hold that, Timothy. Never cash out a parlay. That's for losers.
Well, Congo Man, you're actually collecting receipts too. I like that. I like that. LOR trades. LOR trades. Nick, no stop loss. No. Never. 5 seconds. Oh, damn it. It didn't work.
Oh, we have a lot riding on this opening play because we kind of torched from yesterday. So you guys have to dial in here. By the way, she said yes. Oh, yeah, Timothy, that's right. I forgot you were proposing last night. How nervous were you, brother? Congratulations.
Congrats. Congrats, Timothy. Dude, my heart rate was so high when I proposed.
Yeah, I just don't remember anything about it.
Screenshot from my Fitbit app. It's so funny. It's literally just like a peak. That's
funny.
I mean, I was standing. I wasn't doing anything, and it's just a peak. It goes up to 148.
Oh my gosh. That I wish I was seeing what my heart rate was. It was probably through the fucking roof.
TF change. Nick loves screenshots. Oh hell yeah, I love screenshots. I love the receipt screenshots. You know it. We had a good one today. A real good one in the London stream. Like I literally caught the entire long from my lowest entry was at 29,313, and my latest exit was at 596. That's way after the fact, of course, now, right? But you see the executions on screen. And there was a guy, I had a screenshot of him. He said, bro, why is he longing this? LMAO. It's so funny. It was great. I enjoy these screenshots.
Leeway Pons, but a friend of ours put a bet for the Knicks to win Game 4 for $20K. After that 29-point comeback, cashed out 320 bands. Oh my god, that's the shit I dream about. He said I don't have the balls to put down 20 bands.
Crazy. Oh, watch out, Congo Man, you got a hater. Trading Market says, Nick, I'm sure you believe in Superman and Santa Claus when a kid. Typical target audience of Congo Man. Actually, I prefer Batman, and still do. So,
I believe in Santa. I still do.
I'm not surprised. Oh, fingers crossed. 15 seconds till the next 2.5 minute window is over.
Wow, I really hope we just don't chop. One of my concerns here is that we just kind of chop around all day. But oh wait, what's this? Oh, mega IPOs. Okay, yeah, yeah. This is like this is the biggest IPO in history.
Nice. Okay, it survived. Now we're good. No more treadmill screaming. That's done.
Iran, a memorandum of understanding with the United States is under internal review. Okay. Give us some more details. Thoughts on adding in the winners, ruining the price average, avoiding original trade idea? Only if it's based on like actual levels that you see that hold, or like if you're ICT and you get in a trade and then like an order block comes up, and then, or like what's the other one, a PB. I don't remember what it stood for, but if you have like actual reasoning for essentially taking another trade to add in, then yeah, but not like just randomly adding as you go up. Oh, well, Francisco says otherwise. Go short, Nick. 350 point drop coming. Oh, according to your
trading markets. Oh man. Oh man. Trading markets. Congo Man is already trading September contracts. Keep that in mind. Yep.
Why?
Yep. Well, I mean, volume on September is about a third right now of June.
Oh, wow. Why would you trade that early, though? A third of the volume?
Ask him.
Congo Man, why are you trading a third? Why are you trading in September? If you don't mind.
Hey, Fossil Fuel M. You can never tag me and say something. You can only tag me and say nothing. You know the game we're playing.
Enrique, yes, usually wait for the open to 9:30 New York Stock Exchange. Yeah. But
Damn,
also depends on the setup.
Trading markets must have seen something real funny there. He in caps lock.
Interesting trading. This level in oil, I'll be watching 85 to 85.50. Yeah.
Spotty says, if I get in trouble, I will be working the contract with more time to work my position when I'm wrong. Meaning he trades live.
Interesting. Prefer time in market versus time in market. Interesting. So you just bag holding longs? Not necessarily bag holding, but are you just long? I think any person buying SpaceX
IPO, the market only goes up.
That's true.
Dear market, how many kilometers do I do on average daily on the treadmill? I have no idea what the distance is because it's inaccurate. I only know my step count, and that's what I track. Well, the treadmill distance would be accurate, but I don't look at it. I just count my steps, which is like 15K a day. A little bit more than 15K a day, but let's call it 15K.
Huh.
Yeah.
15K is crazy. That's like 7 or 8 miles, isn't it? Depending on your stride.
Could be. I don't know. I do not know miles. I mean, it's times 1 point.
Yeah, right.
Times 1.6, right? Yep. Times 1.6, but still. I can calculate it.
Yeah, curious.
It is, about 7 miles, it says. 11.25 kilometers.
Okay.
Along with 3 minis, says Misty too. Ballsy. Depending on your account size. What kind of account do you have, Misty? that you're trading 3 minis.
3 minis, fuck. Godspeed. That is a little scary.
Well, you don't know their account size. It's only scary if Misty's now going to say, if Misty's going to say, now I'm trading a prop account, then it's scary. But if Misty's going to say, I'm trading a $1 million live account, then it's not so scary.
Yeah, that's a good point. I guess if I had a milli.
Now, see, he says I have a live account. How big, Misty? If you don't mind
tell
sharing.
us how big.
If you don't want to share.
You can share. You're anonymous. Doesn't matter. I'll share it. I want to know. I'm nosy. Oh, you have a Lucid live account. Oh,
Ew, you said the word. Spot.
Ew. 25K funded, no big deal. 23K buffer. All right, so basically 23 bands, 3 minis. I guess that makes sense. That's... Fuck. Yeah, I guess that makes sense. But these ATRs are kind of crazy, though. Are you holding? How many points are you holding? Or like, how many will you hold for a stop loss? Ooh, this is gonna be tough. We're looking to open. All right, I gotta do an opening strat pull because we're gonna open like right here, and this is gonna be kind of nuts.
In this case, 3 minis on that 23K account. That is, yeah, you're gonna have trouble because, I mean, it depends how you trade, but you can't even hold one full contract overnight because of margin. Not even one.
Stop buying growth accounts. That's super dumb. I actually completely disagree with you. I love the growth accounts. I got up 100 points. Well, nice. You're up 6K. Yeah, Mary casually trades 10 minis on 100K account.
Yeah, but she holds trades not longer than 8 seconds.
It's true.
And it's working for her, so. Oh, Miss, you're already up 100 points? Nice.
Slice Barra, do the math. We'll spoil fight on anything. I like the slice. I'm just like it. I just hate taking 3 days to pass something, so I just would rather use the growth. Opening strat, we're going for the 115 points because I dug myself into a hole by doing that yesterday. So I have to continue doing that.
Well, yesterday you went for 115, right?
Yeah, and that's why we lost.
But if you went for 100, you would have gotten it.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah. And then I would have only needed 11. I would have only needed 15 points to get a payout. Instead, I now need 200. Or I need 230 points to get a payout.
Oh shit. Well, stick to the 100 then.
All right, everybody says long. All right. I can't. I gotta go full. I gotta go all out.
But Spud, what is the reason? I mean, I asked you before. But still, I'm going to ask it again because maybe you changed your mind. What is the reason you don't take, like you go in with multiple micros, you take one off at like 44 points and one at like 88, one at 109, split them up over a couple of levels or however you want to do it. But like just take them off while it goes to your 100 and however many you want.
I could. Would I hold everything then to full risk? Like full loss?
Sure. Depends. I mean, I wouldn't have the loss. I would add in lower, but depends how you want to do it.
The only thing I wouldn't know about that is like, then I might only realize like a little bit and then still lose. And like on a strat, that's kind of 50-50 at best. I wanted to like full hit. But
think about it. If let's say you take one off at 22 points, one at 44 points, one at 88 points, and maybe at 109, or however you want to do it, right? let's say you hit 22 and 20 and 44, price comes back down, you add them back in lower or at your average that you had before. So now you're going for the ride again, but you already have profits realized to protect the position. That's the thinking behind it.
I do see that. Kind of like that idea. I kind of like that. That seems like a lot of work to be doing on the open. I like long.
I mean, it's just clicking the button.
It's
just clicking the fucking button.
We'll let this thing ride. I'm making either 2 bands or losing 2 bands. Anything in between is just, just going crazy. You know what I'm saying? But no, it does make sense. I do like the idea of trimming through and then adding back, especially because the range is so wide. I'll
just keep bringing it up. Maybe one day you'll change.
One day,
maybe not.
One day I'll do it.
Maybe not. Maybe one day you'll go for 500 or 500 points.
I would do that. I would totally do that. Ooh, I kind of like this long. Wow, dude. This, like, looking at this chart makes me feel like it's 100 points and there's like a 60 point, like 40 point range here. And it's literally like we're 120 points from this recent low. And it's 400 freaking points. Oh my gosh. Oh, I think on the open it'd be a lot of micro scalps if your TP too small. They would that'd be kind of crazy too. We do pump usually like 20, 30 points like off open in either direction. So you probably could. I wonder what it'd be if you went like, what's what I'm looking for? If you went negative R to R, like minus, you risk like 100 points to make like 25. I wonder what the win rate on that would be.
Wait, if you did how much to how much?
Like 100 points to risk 25 point TP.
I mean, you have a negative 4 to 1.
I know. I mean, like what your win rate would be on that on the open.
Well,
yeah, because you have so much room for it, but pretty short.
You would need to do the data research.
Oh, hey, Miriam.
I see somebody in the already brought on. Damn.
Oh, okay. I guess I'm here.
Hello.
Well, we don't have much time anyway, so everybody welcome Matcha Mommy. Good morning. The intros today are actually subpar.
How are we doing?
Good, how are you?
No intro, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Right, Black Power? I'm you know what? I'm offended. Okay.
We got Roman on today. We gotta forgive him.
Roman
doesn't usually do
No, not you, Roman.
Forgive him.
It's Nick's fault. I'm blaming Swiss Rick just off the gate.
Yeah, sure. Blame me, of course. Go for it.
You're the intro guy, and you didn't even. My goodness. I mean, anyways, hello everyone. We have an hour. We have less than a minute left until the open here. I'm feeling bullish today. I'm feeling a little bullish. However, I have to be mindful of the fact that we are below previous day high. I know I'm not sharing my screen, but below previous day high, we have to stay cautious, of course. So bullish, but I want to see us flip back above previous day high and then get above 747. That's going to be the level that I look for today. I'm still riding these freaking longs, so I want to see these really coming.
Wait, I thought you got out on your Twitter post.
I'm in options longs. Swinging longs. So
to eyes.
Yeah, so I want to see these longs come in. I want to see them come in big. So temporary until I get out, and then they can dump it back again.
All right, we're in at 491. Godspeed.
Are you long or short? You long or short, Spud?
Are you long or short?
I just got instantly stopped out on the lawn.
No way.
That was the fastest. It was 4 seconds. Oh my god. Oh.
No.
Wait, did you go? Wait.
Oh
what you
my god.
Wait, Spot, did you not have a 100-point stop?
I
what
did.
Was your entry?
Wait, 393.
Wait, what happened?
Oh, you were in a 483. Okay.
Wait, what happened?
And I even thought in my head, I was like, I kind of want to short this open. Oh my god, I'm so mad at myself. Wow, I literally got my trade C was frozen, and it just updated and it was gone.
Oh my god.
my God. Well, that's a record. We have been making records
That's a
all
record.
week. 40 seconds, 20 seconds,
That
and now
is a record.
1,
Yo, Dashi, what
2,
the fuck?
3, 4, 5. 5 seconds. Gone.
That's crazy. So you went
And the
long
best part
at
is my
480?
Tracy was literally frozen for 5 seconds. Yeah, I went long at 493 and got stopped out at 480 or 393.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
Oh my God.
Well, see if this 390 holds, which it's testing right now. That's going to be another key area. Pre-market low, obviously sitting at 59, is going to be another area that we need to hold. But my goodness, I think we drop before we go back up. I think we have to. It's kind of been the sentiment. Lots of manipulation happening in the morning, which is why a lot of people don't trade for the first 15, 30 minutes because they just got to let the market settle. But my gosh, yeah, you got to get that record back.
Yeah, dude, that account in 2 days went from almost payout to deleted.
Oh no. Just
Nobody asked me about the opening
now.
strat account ever again. Now I gotta wait. Do I actually have a backup? I think I have one
Oh
passed
my
and ready to go.
gosh.
That is fucking hilarious.
That's
That's so good. That's so good.
It's funny too because I was listening to you and you're just like, all right, I'm in. And then you pause and you're like,
Oh,
and it's gone.
and it's gone. Yeah, let's go
that's
ahead and
hilarious.
go ahead, Tradeify. Tell me to delete it. Yep, trading permissions revoked. I know.
Oh my god.
Oh my
so
God,
good.
that's so fucking funny.
Holy shit, that is good. Oh man, well we were rejecting VWAP right now. Like I said, we have this wick to fill down on the 1 hour chart. Here, actually, let me share my freaking screen so I can show you what I'm looking at.
Yeah,
RIP Nick, I'm sorry.
me too.
Oh gosh. All right, we are in the wick fill now on the 1 hour. So it goes from 361 down to pre-market low. So it's very likely it will come down there. We have another wick to fill below pre-market low at 210 down to 067. I actually like that one better. But actually, no, I don't like it better. I like it in case this one obviously is going to happen first. So we'll see if we come down there. But like I said, I mean, the 50% retracement of the move that we got yesterday isn't until pretty much the fill of that wick. So if we, let's just look at this real quick. Cause I'm not a huge fib player, but I like to look at the range. So yeah, so it would be about 29,127 would be the 50% retrace. So if we can get down there, pre-market low, and then maybe a little bit lower on NASDAQ and then possibly hold around there. We have support sitting down at 949, that freaking 940, 943, 950 level. I don't want to see those levels again. So
we're like 28,009?
28,943. Yeah.
Oh shit. Okay, yeah.
Yeah. So if we start breaking down, if we don't look below and fail pre-market low, then those will be maybe the levels that we see today. It is also Friday. Is it contract rollover week next week?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. So that's another thing on there.
Interesting.
So a lot of volatility might be coming in today specifically. On ES, real quick. Oh, look, I drew a trend line, by the way, Nick. Look at this. Look at this.
Oh.
It's actually not a cute trend line. It's actually a pretty decent trend line.
Yeah, that's
a big trend line.
That's a nice trend line. That's a beefy trend line right there.
It's a beefy trend line. ES actually was a nice beefy trend line. Anyways, but going back to ES here, same sort of thing. Come down to pre-market low at 73.74. This has actually been a really, really key area, the 75 area on ES. So I'll be watching that for today. But like I said, I'm not particularly bearish until we start breaking down below 943. Right now we are holding the upper distribution area of this move up that we got yesterday in the afternoon. So right now, like I said, relatively bullish, but I do want to see 747 break. We have a supply zone, a 1 hour supply zone starting at 772 goes up to 942. So that overall on a bigger time frame, I'm going to be looking for us to get above so that I can see that the bulls are actually serious about coming in. Because if you look at the daily that was put in yesterday practically engulfed the three bodies of Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday. So all week we just engulfed that all week's bodies in one candle yesterday. So I have to look at this relatively bullish going into the rest of next week. So we'll see how today's candle prints, but so far it's bullish for me.
All right, I like it. That was a crazy move off that low right there. My God.
Yeah, I don't know what your comment means. Gundabal, Miriam is trading halal. Yes, we're kosher trading.
We're kosher trading. Wow, what a freaking open! Oh my God.
I know, this is a nasty open. I mean, you do, like I said, the VWAP and 9 EMA are converging at 500. So love to see us above 500, ideally 544. And then I think we rocket from there. But we'll see. Depends on where we go from here. Is anyone in a trade right now?
I'm in a long.
Oh, okay, nice. Where did you get long in? Or are you holding it from open or the London?
I was in a long already on like during the London session, took it off, then started scaling back in pretty high at like 29,539, and then scaled in more on the way down. So now my average is 29,454.
Oh, sick.
Nice. Kind of like this hold here, but oil breaking up near closing in on 86 has me a little concerned, but NQ and oil can go at the same time. So
oh, I just noticed that. Interesting move on oil too. Wow, oil taking back its whole dump from the overnight here. That's crazy. Dang, oil actually got a really nice move yesterday and then into the overnight. Okay, well, this is one of those you wait until the market tells you something decisive, because right now it's not telling me anything.
Yeah, this is I said this morning I want to be really patient today because I could see myself getting chopped up. So I'm just going to be watching, patient. Probably side down a little bit too, especially after getting absolutely obliterated.
Oh
on that.
God, that was nuts. That was crazy. I could tell something was wrong too because you were in a longer pause than normal. Even though it was only a 4-second pause, it was longer than normal.
Holy shit, that's so funny.
That's hilarious. You mean Goyle? Yeah, my bad.
Yeah, Goyle. Oopsies.
Deer in market. I'm not gonna repeat that, but that's funny.
I like how he ends it with "Don't ban me."
Yeah, that's hilarious.
I beat you. I entered a trade before my laptop could finish. Before my laptop could finish saying "order filled," it said "stop filled."
Oh dang!
That's awesome. Oh my God.
That's brutal.
Your eyes were so big watching it crash that fast. That's crazy.
Oh my gosh. Actually so fucking funny. Where are the spacesuits? Oh, we should have gotten spacesuits for the SpaceX IPO.
Oh, I would have been down for that. I would have been down to get spacesuits.
That would have been funny.
Holy pump.
Yep. More ES is struggling a little bit. ES has this 720 area or 420 420 area it needs to get above. NQ getting a nice bid. Really nice bid here. Yeah. ES. Ooh, whoa, ES. What just happened to you? Oh my gosh.
Oh. My trade seat was really just like frozen. Whoa.
Oh, and NASDAQ. What is going on? Dang. What a drop.
That's got to be Oil
Lots of
ripped.
selling pressure coming in here on both futures, actually.
Waiting for
So
news
just
to
be
come out.
careful. Yes, trying
That
to
was
catch more of a bid here.
crazy.
Yeah, that was nuts. That was not normal. Did something come out?
yeah.
I think something.
Trump, Iran leaked terms do not match the written agreement.
Great.
Oh, jeez.
Very dishonorable people to deal with. With them, wait, what did he say? With them, there's no such thing as dealing in good faith. Good Lord.
Oh my gosh. Can we just...
Well, strap in for a wild Friday.
Yeah, literally.
Sorry, you were going to say something.
Wow. I don't even know what I was going to say.
Goldfish memory.
Goldfish memory.
Oh, man.
Yeah, frustration. Okay.
See, did somebody look at SpaceX chart yet?
Oh, no.
Oh, no.
Oh, yeah, they IPO'd, right?
Yep. That's today.
ES has buyers sitting here at this 80 level and then 72 and then 62. If anyone is in ES.
Apto says, when in my direction though, gold short. Good for you, dude.
Wow, lots of selling pressure. What the heck? Let's see if they sweep this pre-market low. Wow, that was looking so good too.
Wow, that was. Oh my gosh, oil is just sending.
Oh gosh.
Wow.
Just get out of this misery of trading that we're in.
Bro,
Like,
seriously.
bring back normal
what
trading.
The hell? Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, that's a nasty candle. It's a nasty.
Yeah, that's gross. I kind of want to try a small long here if we defend this London low.
I don't hate it.
I really want to
but
trade against this.
I know it's the news. It's because
I'm
this
gonna
could
literally
just
risk $100 on 2 micros.
God. ES tap pre-market low. NASDAQ didn't quite tap it. I don't know if it did on MNQ, but ES does
Like
have
that
buyers
overnight
sitting
London
there.
low.
Yeah, pre-market low. Yeah.
Yeah, no, it didn't.
ES tapped it, but it does also have buyers sitting there, so could try to hold there, but NQ did not quite tap that level. Are there oh, nice bid coming in on ES.
I need 344. Probably gonna go to break even here.
Nice.
Come on, tap me out.
You can go to Nick's screen. He's in a trade.
Taparuski.
Oh.
No, I was so close.
Are you in the long too, Spud?
Yeah, but I just want 344. I'm just locking in my $250 days.
Oh my god, didn't it touch 344?
Not on MNQ.
Oh, lame. That's actually really annoying how you're so different like that.
It's always like when they... Yes, boom. All right, cool. Locking out.
Nice.
Quick.
Dude, I always get carried away. Like, I forget that all you need are a couple $250 days and back to payout. But like, and like, I'll keep trading and not realize it. So lock out before I do something stupid.
Yeah, this looks a little dumpy now.
70 points. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not a huge fan. I feel like we still need to take out this low. Oil had a massive retrace off of that big move, though. It kind of rejected that overnight level.
Yeah.
Not sold, though, that it's going to keep dumping, but man.
Wow, ES is holding on by a thread at this level. Do you see this?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, shit.
Craziness.
Buying 2 minis on NQ. Wish me luck. Godspeed, dude.
Oh gosh, Godspeed. This feels very volatile. Even Bookmap going crazy right now. So I'm gonna stay out until this shit decides to give me direction here. The thing is, I don't hate a short if we break this level, but yeah. We could go down to this 120 area on NQ. Like I said, that wick fill goes down to like 71. Dude, this is so volatile. Wow. I do not like this.
No, we just swept that London low level on NQ though. So I am curious to see if we get the pump off of that or continue down. YM and RTY are both down off of that. Silver and gold down. Oil pulling back though. I mean, obviously both of them can come back down, but it is interesting to see oil pull back a little bit after NQ takes that sweep. So I'd like to see NQ pump from here if oil can stay under 86.35.
This is nasty.
I'm going to take a paper long. Oh, I did not mean 750,000 cons. Holy shit.
Why not?
Yeah, I guess you're right. Why not?
That isn't good much.
I kind of
they gotta hold it here if they don't want to cause more damage. So I can see him. I can see him like really struggling. Buyers sitting at 280 on NQ. Sellers around 330. So ES is, my gosh, I've never seen ES try to hold so like just desperately.
ES is like, please
don't up.
Please don't let me die.
Come on. I'm begging you.
Oh my god. Yeah, it looks it's trying. NQ at that Asia low here, 335. Getting obviously extraordinarily volatile. Both oil, NQ, and ES pumping. To see the actually, let me get 3 up.
Yeah, NQ got me for my DLL like right at the bottom.
Oh,
right
no way.
Yep.
That's frustrating.
And that's why you don't DCA.
No. Nope. That's not the reason.
Oh my gosh.
But literally at the bottom.
Rejected.
That's whack. Dude, what is happening?
Level. Oh my goodness.
It's like everything's going so well, and then a news headline hits, and it's just like, bam. It's like that song. It's like
yields ripped off that too. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Thanks, Gary.
That's wild. AJ says, yo, my girlfriend's telling me real-time updates on my NQ2 minis. I ran out of the house.
What do you mean she's giving you real-time updates on your NQ?
What? Like she's watching your screen for you?
Man, ES at this low, my gosh.
Yep. ES actually has more room down. 345 is probably the next target. Actually, 58, which isn't that far away, but then 45 would be that next target down if we don't try to hold here, which doesn't really look like it wants to. We'll see, because NQ is still in a spot where it's salvageable by bulls, but ES just kind of doing a whole lot of nothing. Let's see.
Oil at these pre-market levels, London high, 86.40. Happy. 1,000 points crash anytime. Dude, the crazy part is like, yeah, we dump after, basically Trump calling out Iran and everybody getting all feisty again. But like, we could have literally the inverse where he comes out and he goes, just got off the phone with Iran and everything looks good. Can't wait to sign the deal this weekend. And then right back to the highs. So this is a 1,000 points up, 1,000 points down. I wouldn't even bet on either.
It's almost funny. No, it's not funny, but like it almost feels like Trump must be absolutely loaded with calls with all the bearish shit that he says.
I mean, he must be making so much money from this market.
He must be loaded with them, with all the bearish things he's saying. Like, this is just...
Oh my gosh. All right, 300 level on NQ. Yes, trying to get back over that London low here. Just can't do it. 374.75. Wow.
Happy. It's the whole reason he started the war, honestly.
For him, it's easy money now. Very easy money.
Wait, what's a SpaceX? SpaceX. Because I was reading the ticker symbol, and I was like, SpaceX. I'm just gonna look at that real quick. Did any? Oh wait, there's nothing here.
It doesn't show any data yet. I don't think they don't IPO till later tonight, right?
Oh, it's later tonight. Okay, never mind. It says SpaceX shares to open 29% above IPO price in debut. Okay.
Wow.
That's what they always say, and then they dump it.
I was telling Nick, I was like, I want to like literally full port my entire life on puts after the open and after it pumps, but like those options will probably be out the ass expensive.
Yup. Yup.
But Loki kind of want to do it.
That'd be actually maybe not your life savings, you know, maybe you're willing to lose.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess I won't advocate for gambling.
That's on the side. Anyone watching the World Cup?
Tomorrow,
oh yeah.
When Switzerland plays, I will watch.
Okay, you know what's funny? I actually got Switzerland as one of my teams for our...
Already?
Yeah, and then I was like, re-roll.
What? Come on, Marion. Dang. Wow. Who did you get after that?
I didn't even get a good team. I think I have... Well, I have Colombia. I do have Colombia.
What did you get for Switzerland when you re-rolled?
No, I didn't re-roll. I re-rolled... What did I get for Switzerland? What was my list?
Tell me, what did you get? Go look it up.
That's so funny.
No, I think I said I'm cooked because I ended up getting like shit teams anyway.
Look it up. What did you get for Switzerland?
We have so many channels. I don't even know where I'm looking. Hold on.
I know there are so many fucking channels.
Oh my god, where is
All right,
where
oil, NQES, all ripping.
Was it under water cooler?
I literally have terrible teams. I'm cooked.
Oh my god.
No, it was in announcements.
In announcements? Oh, see,
Yeah,
I would never have looked there. Oh, Vinny posted because... Oh, wait. He said we can re-roll again? Okay.
Yeah, it was like only one team, though. You pick a team to re-roll.
Oh.
Yeah.
Anyways, okay, who did I get? I got... Oh no, why is it not showing?
It'll be like 2 minutes.
What did I get? Who did I get? Some people got some good teams.
Terrence says you got Germany for Switzerland.
Oh yeah, I got Germany.
Okay, that's a good replacement. That's a good replacement.
But then the other one was like Bosnia.
Yeah, I have them too, I think.
You have Bosnia?
I think so. Yeah.
Oh Lord.
I have the worst. I literally have the worst picks ever.
Wild.
The first pick was bad, and then the re-roll was even worse.
It's even worse.
Yeah.
Who got Argentina? There were some people that got really good teams. Like one person I think one person literally got Spain, Argentina, and Mexico.
And
Brazil? Oh,
mm-hmm.
Crazy. Yeah, that'll be fun. World Cup is a fun time. Wow, we are really doing absolutely nothing here, chat. Nothing. Let's see if the 10 a.m. candle gives us something. In terms of data, I don't think we have anything rest of the day. Let's see. It's today Friday. Wow, today's Friday. We do. We do have University of Michigan consumer sentiment. Ooh, that might be juicy. Sorry.
Does anybody else have issues with Instagram right now?
Like what?
Like when you send a message, it just doesn't go through anywhere. It's weird.
Maybe you got banned.
Maybe I got banned. No, but it's really weird.
Like you can't send anyone a message?
No.
Try sending me one.
Right.
All right, wait. I'll try. I send a message that says test. Just sent it. You didn't get it, right?
No, I didn't get anything.
Yeah, it's weird.
Try. Hello?
I see you typing right now. Did you send it?
I sent it.
Yeah, it's
but
weird.
It's not saying
I see you typing, but then I don't get the message. Now I got it. That's weird.
Oh yeah, it just says seen now.
That is weird.
Text me back.
Well, it didn't work. Right?
You're already texting.
Still says sending on my end. I just did another one.
Oh yeah.
It doesn't work.
I see you trying to type. That's so weird.
Yep.
Dang.
Yeah,
Instagram has its bugs. All right, so Michigan consumer sentiment coming out at 10 a.m. So that could give us a move. It could give us a move. Yes, like I said, desperately holding on to this pre-market low level. And it's so far doing okay. It's doing okay, but it has some levels it needs to get above. I don't want to see it rejecting 404. And NQ, I don't want to see rejecting 405. So we'll see in about 2.5 minutes. Miriam, I'm not in any trades right now. No, just my options contracts that I'm in. I need to start trading options more. I used to trade it all the time. And then I got into my like, ooh, I started feeling the rush again. I'm like, yeah, let's do it.
You're like, fuck yeah.
Like, give me those options. Oh, jeez. What is happening?
Wait, so when does SpaceX actually IPO? Somebody said 10?
What time? I mean, it's today, but what time? I mean, I was under the impression it would be like when the market opens, but
interesting.
Let me check.
All right. Yes, NQ and oil all ripping. And the Dow and RTY. What the fuck?
Dude, look at ES holding that level. Look at that. On the 15-minute, we opened right above that level. Like, that is, I don't know.
Wow.
That is just a little engine that could right there.
The little engine that could. Bro, holy shit. I'm going to trail out of this long on my other accounts because this is fucking disgusting. I took this a little bit heavier than I might have wanted to, but that's okay. I just trimmed like 60% right there, 400.
All right, we got 1 minute until the data comes out.
Who's
holding through the data? Who's holding?
Yeah. This is big data. If this comes in cool, then you have soft PPI, soft CPI, and cooling and fucking inflation data from Michigan. Moonshot.
This could be, University of Michigan sentiment has proven me wrong many times in terms of how big it actually could move the market. So,
oh my gosh,
don't underestimate U of M.
Low key might close out of this on my other accounts real quick.
Yo, is that?
I'll leave a micro. All right. Okay. I'm letting 1 micro ride on this. Send it.
Somehow it tells me it might drop. I don't know. Something's giving me the feeling that it might just. Oh.
Here you go.
Or pump. Or don't do anything.
Pending. It's pending. Okay, it came out hotter.
Hey.
Oh wait.
Let's see if this 400 clears. Clear that level.
Nice.
That level. There you go. Send it, baby.
Oh yeah. Send it, baby.
Oh, Miriam, you're gonna love.
Gosh.
You are gonna love where it hit my DLL. Look at that.
What? What do you mean love?
Oh my gosh, you literally got wicked out.
Dude, that's
see it? Like literally at the bottom.
Dude, that's actually messed up. I'm mad for you. That's not cool. You got the curse again.
No.
Yeah, dude, you literally got it back.
Back in your lane now.
Don't try to put it on me. That's not gonna work.
None of us have it anymore.
That's not gonna work.
It's true.
Yep. ES needs to clear. Okay, both ES and NQ need to clear these levels. 404 on ES. There is some supply on the 15-minute sitting right here where it's tapping into 457 through 501. So we need to clear. And then sellers at 450. Nice hold so far, but I don't want this being a lower high. That's where it's rejecting right now. I don't want to see that. I like this a lot more if we can push above previous day high. So 544, I would like longs there.
Let's see.
Nice.
I think this fucking sends.
I hope it does. I
just low-key added back into 2 more micros on the side. Oh yeah, spuddy up big. I'm telling you, I might have pulled a Merriam on my other shit down here at 286. Yes! Low key might have been in a hefty amount of micros. So.
That's how it's done.
Wait, how hefty? What's hefty?
I literally just went all in like 20 at the bottom down here. I mean, not like crazy. It's just still 2 minis worth. But then trailed out the majority.
I mean, 2 minis for 200 points. That's good.
That's big.
Well, I didn't hold it all. I closed most of them at 400.
That's still decent.
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. I want to see the continuation here.
Continuation
I
here.
still think we get. I mean, let's see.
If we print another bullish candle today, this shit's going to all-time highs next week.
Probably, yeah. Yeah,
Unless we
man.
get some crazy news coming out over the weekend, and then you know what that looks like.
Yeah.
A green turtle says it just passed my account. Congrats. Nice.
Hell yeah, let's go, dude.
Nuts.
I have top chat on again. Darn it. Dag nabbit. All right, let's see. I want to see opening range high, this 500 level clear. ES still needs to clear this 404, so could find some resistance there. Nice supply though, sitting right there at 414 up through opening range high at 424. So we do need to clear that. NAS is much stronger right now than ES, but wow, look at that little engine that could pushing up.
Oh my gosh.
Look at her. Yes. You go, ES.
You go, yes.
You weren't looking very promising there at the lows. But your big sister NQ, big sister Daki, came in for the save. So
your big sister Daki.
That bratty sister that no one knows if they love or hate.
Oh, let's see this rip over 500.
Hey, another one. Random player passed an account.
Hell yeah. Timothy's up.
Timothy,
well. How much you make? Biggest trade of his life?
Wow.
Tell me.
Tell us. We want the tea.
I kind of expect him to say now like $2 or something like that.
I bet it's going to be like 5K. If you caught along from the bottom, you'd be up 262 points.
15K?
15?
Wow.
Oh, okay, yeah, dude. And he got. Oh, by the way, he got engaged last night. He was telling us yesterday he was gonna propose. Then he came in this morning. She said yes, and we're like, yeah.
Oh snap!
Timothy's having the best weekend of his life.
He's like, and that'll pay for the ring.
Yo. Hell yeah, Timothy.
That's
Let's
amazing.
go.
Congrats. I love seeing people in their good seasons.
Yeah, dude, that's fucking sick.
Did you shit yourself?
What?
That paid for the wedding? Nice.
Hell yeah, brother.
I was shocked to see how much people spend on weddings.
Dude, it's actually just disgusting.
Like
it's
for a
it's
one-day
disgusting.
event,
Everything
you're
is just
spending
ridiculously
6
expensive.
figures. Insane.
Yeah, and that's when like the drama starts about like who you invite.
Oh,
like,
that's fair. There was a wedding planner we looked at in northern Italy, and on the form that you can fill out, on the contact form, they ask you like, what's your budget? And it's just a drop down menu, and the lowest one is 100 to 150K. Highest one was 6 million plus. I was like, oh, okay.
Who in their right mind?
Excuse me?
Who in their right mind is spending that much money on a wedding? I'm sorry, but like,
mil?
I couldn't. Me and my husband were like, we're just gonna go to the courthouse. We're going to the courthouse and we're gonna spend that money on a honeymoon, and that's what we did.
But it's always in perspective. It's always in perspective to what you have, right? I mean, if somebody has,
that's true.
No, I get that.
100 million, 200 million, does it really matter if you spend?
No, I'm totally with you. I'm totally with you, but some people don't. Some people like and I'm not judging, theirs is not judging or anything, but like their whole life savings goes towards a wedding, or their families really save up to give them money for a wedding. And it's just
kind of dumb.
It's insane. I'm like, dude, and not in this economy. I'm sorry. I'm not in this economy. We might be doing a nice reception dinner. That's it. Like, I'm taking that money, either putting it down on an investment. We're going on a vacation. Like, no shade to all my guests out there, but it's like, that's not worth it. My dress was $300. Like, we went to the courthouse, we got married, we signed the papers, and I was like, let's go to Italy. I think our biggest investment on the wedding was the videographer. we hired a videographer.
That's sick. Like, that's sick.
We need to remember this, but nuts. $5 million on a wedding is asinine.
Yeah, that's actually preposterous. Unless you're schloated, then fuck it.
Oh Lord. Wow, these longs though. Let's talk about these longs. Holy
yeah, these longs are absolutely cooking.
Checking my
that was
literally sad,
very, very sad DLL stop out down there.
Dude, that's pain. Oh, let's fucking go.
Wow.
Emma says the most we spent was for the food. It had to be amazing. Well, I get that.
Yeah, food would not. It's a non-negotiable. You gotta have good food.
Yep.
Oh
I want Jackie to hit 676. So Timmy, are you just trailing a stop? Or are you like, okay, so you said 676. Okay, that's pre-market high. I like it. I see it's possible. It's possible. Definitely possible. I think if we hold above this 550, we'll break above it, hold it as a retest. We're very likely going to that 676. Open bar is a must. Yeah, see, there's
absolutely.
A lot of things. Yeah.
Like premium liquor open bar for the whole night, not just like an hour or two. Shit's expensive.
That's what I mean. I feel like if I would have a wedding like that, I would need to go all out. And I'm Arab, and Arabs have crazy weddings. Like, it's like a 5-day event.
Oh, that's sick.
It's not just a 1-day thing. Yeah, it's a whole party.
Like, I'm excited. My buddy, he's Indian. He lives in India, and like we're excited for his wedding because that's like the same thing. They hold like several day feasts and just go crazy.
Dude, Indian weddings are popping.
Oh my gosh! Thank you.
Yeah, like the rich Indian guy who spent what 600 million on his wedding, 800 million.
Wait, no, time out. What?
Yeah.
What? Is that even possible? What are you spending that much money on?
Of course, do it for 2 weeks. Give everybody cars and shit. You can
give everyone cars for your own wedding. I don't know. Is that a party favor or what? It's crazy.
Google it.
Google
it.
Yeah, I'm gonna Google it.
Wasteful. Is anyone in a trade? Any of us? I'm not in anything, but Spud, Nick.
No, I'm trying to fix the Instagram issue, but I realized it's a server problem. It's not on my end.
I'd like to see a back test of this previous day high, and I'll look to take a long there, but seller's sitting at 600, right where we're sitting right now. So let's see if we break this wall. I'll wait for a back test because I'm not gonna chase this candle here. Nice candle so far, especially on ES. This is just nuts. I don't want to see.
Literally got an entry at like 250. Like I'm holding this bitch until we get to the high at 675 or maybe even 645. I'm still
good
in
for
all, you. Like, I added, and that add back at 400 was disgusting. That was a phenomenal.
That was amazing.
This is a good day for the spot. I needed that. That feels good.
Nice. We love that. We love that. I want to see ES clear this opening range high. That's the only thing right now that's kind of keeping me from getting into anything. Yeah,
ES so weak. If ES can get this pump over like 74.24, then we get NQ to get a little ripski, then we're sending. But if we get a tweet that comes out that's like, just talk to her. Oh God, just God.
Do the reverse of what happened on Friday, last Friday.
Yeah, exactly. Reverse that shit.
Oh my gosh, what kind of poll is this? Who put this poll up?
How much money did you spend? My partner left me on the big day.
23%.
What?
That is fucking hilarious.
Roman is just cooking in the back end.
That is so funny.
Who put that up? Was it you, Drew?
That was Roman.
That was Roman.
that's Roman jokes. I know Roman.
That's actually hilarious, Roman.
Oh, that's so funny.
It's not funny, but it's funny. Wait, that actually happened. That's actually sad. Imagine spending all this money on a wedding and your partner leaving you at the altar.
Rip.
Wow.
Well, it's less expensive. It's less expensive than when you get married first and then they leave you.
It's true. That's true. All right, we'll try along here on NQ.
Here?
Yeah. I will probably add to this if we get down to 456. 500 and then 456. Likely add.
Yep.
How much money did you spend? You should have put 0 on there because maybe some people didn't spend money on their wedding.
Yeah, the options are pretty limited. 1 to 5K, over 10, or over 100.
Yeah.
Bit extreme.
A bit extreme.
Yeah, true, dear in market. The Congo man did say dippy before the rippy. There you go. You got the dippy before the rippy.
Oh, what's up, Quantix? All right, says if we accept this level above 29,620, it's going to be up to 29,825. Quantix, please. Yes, please. I need it up there. Okay, 825. You know what? Just send it to 30K at that point. Just send it 30K. Why not? I'm here for it.
Yeah, I'll take that.
Now I just need my parlay to hit. Timothy, this might be your week.
Sick.
I'm long. And I have another limit order set at 501, and then I'll have another one set at 465 if we do come down there.
Wait, so you're long from where, and then you have 2 more ads?
Yeah, I'm long from 545, and then I have an ad at 501, and then I'll add another one at 470 area.
Where do you have your stop?
Stop is going to be sitting at like probably 390, so about 200 points.
I mean, with this volatility, dude, like it makes sense.
Yeah. Actually, what would that be? Hold on. That'd be about 2,700 loss, but I would be targeting like 840. Yeah, 840 area.
Okay.
Yeah, I want like.
Yeah, this John's ripping.
38. Nice test of previous day high, or previous day high, and then ES, nice test of VWAP sitting there. So I want to see the rip here. I don't want to see any sort of hesitation from the bulls.
I just got about like 7 messages from the chat, from people from the chat. They just DM me on Instagram and say test. I get all your messages, guys, but I just can't respond. Like whenever I send something, it's just sending, and it never arrives. I don't know. It's weird. I can't send any messages on Instagram right now to anybody. Try it with multiple people. Yep.
That's insane.
It's weird. But on Twitter, I see there's a bunch of people who have that problem right now.
Ew, weird.
Yeah, yep. Probably not on the US server, because you can still send messages, right?
Yeah, I can. I mean, I sent you one.
Wait, on Instagram? Like they're saying it's down?
Yeah. I mean, for me at least.
Nice push here. Nice. Let's go.
Oh, send it.
If we start pushing above pre-market high, I'll move to break even on this, but my stop is actually 140 points. So it is a little high, but my target is 300 points from here. So
holy shit.
Why did you just send me a message?
I just sent test. That's what I'm getting from everybody right now. It's like just test.
It worked.
I can't respond to anyone.
Oh my god.
Wait, did we hit the like goal? Somebody says 404.
Oh, I totally forgot about the like goal.
Or is that the error message for my Instagram? No, it is actually the like goal. All right. Cool. That means, Spot, do you want to set up a keyword? In the meantime, I'll explain the rules. If you want to participate in this giveaway and potentially get a free account, then all you got to do is you have to like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once Spot sends you the keyword, type that keyword in the chat, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified, which would obviously suck, so don't do that. Then once the Spot is ready,
dropping it in. Keyword is congrats, Tim, you go.
Hey.
Yeah, go Tim.
Oh yeah.
Go Tim.
Nice.
Go Tim.
What's my target? My target is 838. My stop, I will move to break even if we close above 675. At this point, I wouldn't want to see a retest back into 501, so I'm going to remove that buy limit. And then I'll actually move my stop probably closer to 441, so about 100-point stop. So risking $2,000 to make 6.
Amazing.
ES right now rejecting opening range high, which again, I don't like to see that because NAS might try to reject here as well. There's a lot of supply in this area that we're sitting in above previous day high, pretty much between this 546 and 675. So if we can get the nice strong push above 675, yeah, this thing's sending. Dude,
this thing's going. I truly think we're hitting this high a day at 675 and just fucking ripping.
I'm here for it, dude. I love that. Yeah, 1 hour supply right now, what we're sitting in. So this is the block that I see. I'll make this brighter. So I want to see us above everything that we're sitting in right here.
Yeah.
Nice buying coming in here. Not a lot of volume on that though. Let's see. ES getting a nice push here. Come on, ES. Little cute little thing. You can do it.
Cute little thing.
If I talk to her, sweet, she'll abide.
She'll abide.
Oh, man. You're right, graduate. Mary, if you keep talking about longs, are you okay? It's a phase. I'm just going through a phase. I'll be back once we hit all-time highs, and I'll be shorting to the ground.
How did you feel, Miriam, when you closed your NQ long? You closed it yesterday, right?
Yes. The other one that I was in for micros. It felt great. It felt great. I mean, I had to take profit. It's definitely one of those nerve-wracking things because what? Anyways.
What?
Ooh, a little selling coming in here.
It's disgusting.
What's one of the nerve-wracking things?
Yeah, I mean, when you're holding a trade overnight, because the thing that happened to me was I had held that trade overnight. It was, I'm not kidding you, 10 points away from hitting my TP and then completely round tripped almost back to my
Oh my God.
entry. I mean, I was still in profit. But it was like I was sleeping. So had I seen that, I likely probably would have trailed my stop. So yeah, that was a little annoying to wake up to and be like, oh, great. I was 10 points away and now it just round tripped 300 points.
Bro, disgusting.
So yeah, this is great. This is fucking awesome. Because the supply zone we're still in. You gotta see it.
Trail
and just...
like 510 here.
Oh, if we triple top here, I'm gonna be so annoyed.
You said where are you gonna add 500, 475?
I don't know if I want to add anymore. That's the thing. Because I would have liked to see. I don't like to see this rejection, but to be fair, I don't hate an ad. Actually, I'd have to move this down. I don't hate an ad around 450. You know what? Let me try it. I just don't like this candle coming in.
I just stopped out here. I might re-enter longs, but I'm gonna take the couple hundred points and look for something else. Maybe a re-entry.
This strength of this candle is not great. But we'll see if we hold this 474. Because if we hold that, then I see them just chopping this around until we break the 657. But that was what was that? Like a almost 100-point candle just there? Or more than that.
145 points from the high.
Spotted, want to pick a winner for the giveaway?
Oh, yeah. Boom. Akasha FX. Congratulations.
Boom.
Nice.
Akasha FX, type something in the chat. Let's see what we're giving away. Roman, if you go to my screen real quick. Spinning, spinning, spinning. Akasha FX, you get a 50k select account.
Banger.
Nice.
Nice.
Nice job.
50k select account for Akasha FX. If that person types. Yeah, said here. Okay, all you gotta do now is add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it is your Tradeify login email, and we're gonna be sending you your free account within the next 7 days. Congrats.
Congrats.
Hell yeah.
Yes, trying to hold here.
ES looks much better for continuation than NQ does.
Yeah,
NQ took
I
out
agree.
that low where ES didn't. Which is why I think we could still definitely pump if ES gets the bid and then NQ can kind of come back up.
I did add on that opening range high hold, so I did end up adding up that 501. So my average now is 524. I'm going to keep my stop. Yeah, I'm going to actually leave my stop right below the bottom of the 1005 wick. So risking a little more on this, but oh. Yeah, I like that. Okay, I'll keep it. We need to get back above previous day high though. It's a brick wall right there.
Yeah. Damn, that is a fucking brick wall.
Yeah.
Spot, since we spoke about VIX yesterday, it's now under 20.
Is it?
Nice. Get that John back down. 1896.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. VIX is starting to look like a freaking meme stock.
Literally.
Dude, look at the
It's
VIX.
insane lately. Just
Look at this.
massive
Looks
move
like a
up, right
meme.
back down. Massive move up. Yeah. Fucking nuts.
Oh my god.
My God.
Oh, Lord. Okay, that froze. Great. All right, NQ. I need you. Listen, Daki. We're gonna have problems, okay? You can't get back above the previous day high. We're gonna have some issues.
We're gonna be pissed. All right, I need to grab more water. Give me like 2 seconds.
All right, bye. And he's floating out of the screen. Floating out of the screen. Wait, whose screen are we on? Who's this that? Well, that's Spud. Roman, let's go to Miriam's because she's in the trade. Thank you.
I could see them just doing a whole bunch of nothing here. I don't love that 15-minute. That's not really cute.
Not really cute.
Yeah. I need to see this back above 45 now. There we go, you rat. God.
Tuesday moon.
Tuesday moon. But like, stop rejecting. Like, what are we doing? Now we have a supply within a supply. So this little, God, I hate supply inceptions. All right.
Supply interceptions.
Drawing boxes within boxes.
15 minute. If the 15-minute closes here, I'm gonna be a little concerned for the longs here, but 5 minute looks okay. 1 minute looks better than the 5 and 15. Hourly looks kind of goofy. We need another news event.
Yeah. Trumpleton? Where are you at?
Trumpleton, I need to come out and say deal has been signed early, ahead of schedule, and we all love each other.
And we're gonna be a one big happy family.
We all love each other.
Family.
Imagine.
Crazy.
You just post, I love Iran.
Dude, the markets would go nuts. Can you
That would
imagine?
be. I don't even know what would happen. What do you
I don't
know?
know. We'd have another one of
It'd be
those
like he's lying.
900 candles.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Congo Man says IPO in 98 minutes.
98 minutes. That's
Ish.
what time is that? An hour and a half. So
Oh,
Yeah,
Marcos.
1 hour and 38 minutes.
Best trading week of the year. Hell yeah, dude. Going to Barcelona to see the F1 race. Dude, why is the chat just like on their shit today? Like, what the hell?
What?
Godspeed, dude. Let's fucking go. Enjoy your weekend. Damn.
All right, Daki, you're starting to piss me off. Buyer or seller
seriously.
sitting right there at that 40 level. They just stepped in. Buyers sitting at 500 and 490. I don't like these sort of patterns. This feels bearish now. Not loving this pattern setup.
Yeah, it's like ES just looks so much better than NQ.
ES looks better. I agree. ES does look better.
Way better. I can't really tell what oil wants to do either, so like that's throwing me off a little bit. And Q like breaking out of some of these little patterns and making new ones, which I don't like. Oi, 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 oi.
Oi, oi, oi.
Hey,
Yeah.
Citosio says, can we get a W in the chat for our amazing hosts? I love watching you three together. Absolute
Yay.
dream team. Put a W in the chat. Thanks, Citosio.
Thank you. That's nice.
That's awesome.
Quantix. I love when Quantix comes in the chat and says, "Don't worry, Miriam." I feel so much more comforted.
Miriam.
825. Hey, I'm here for it, Quantix. I hope it is. Yes, I am in a trade. I am in this 524 long. Miriam, love the podcast. Spud and Nick interviews win at the same time. The two Nicks. I got the two Nicks.
Oh, I see. I was like, what are you talking about?
He says, Spud's just like,
I just laugh.
I have no idea what
Other
they're
people
talking
laugh. Other people laugh, and I laugh.
That was a fake ass laugh, Nick.
On the highest of keys, it was.
Yeah. Oh, man. That's my gang. I like it. All right, NQ. Come on, Dacky. Let's do something here.
That's my man.
My man. Dude, I don't know why that just reminded me of this documentary that I watched on. Have you heard of that girl that had a whole bunch of best friends and she ended up crashing all of them in a car crash and killed her boyfriend?
That sounds
Nope,
like fun.
not well. First of all, I thought this was going to be like a sleepover thing. No, I did not hear about that.
Yeah, her name was like Mackenzie Shrilling or something like that. Yeah.
Whoa.
And she like purposely killed her boyfriend and her friend in a car crash. And now she's in jail for committed murder. That doc was nuts. Yeah, I know.
Why did she say? Did we find out why?
I mean, she's been denying.
Did she not
it.
also expect to die? Like,
that's what I said. For some reason, she was the only one. I think she was the only one wearing her seatbelt. But she did come out with injuries. But like the way that the car was moving, she had the accelerator. Which this is so crazy that they can see all of this information. They found the car obviously demolished, and the boyfriend.
Oh my gosh, I've seen a picture of it. Holy shit!
Yeah, she was going almost 100 miles an hour down this suburban area. And she crashed into this building at 90 miles an hour. Okay, like 100 miles an hour, basically. She's the only one that came out alive. And she wasn't, they said that she had THC in her system, but she was one of those that she would always smoke weed. She was always like on shrooms or whatever, some sort of drug.
That makes it better.
No, right. And the parents were just these insane parents that like have they never gave her any consequences. Like they would just let her do whatever she wanted. And they interviewed the parents and were just like, yeah, I mean, we don't think we're bad parents. She's such a great kid. I mean, we just never.
Yeah, saying she would never hurt anybody. That they think she's innocent. Wow, that's crazy.
Her parents pissed me off. I was like, dude, these certain people should not be parents. I'm just saying.
Wow. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's very true. That is very true.
Crazy. Out of jealousy.
That's actually nuts.
Yeah, and they interviewed her, and it was a whole thing. I was like, my husband put it on. Like, when do you ever put on these crime documentaries? And I was like, all into it. I was like, oh my god! It was like I had work really going on next to me, and I was like working on the side, and then all of a sudden I was like, what work? I'm way invested in this,
bro. That's nuts.
Nuts.
I just can't believe you survived that.
That's what I said. I was like, is she trying to? That's nuts.
Wait, what did you
have to?
A tree?
A building, a brick building.
A building going.
And how do you also get I mean, I know you have to be mentally insane to do this kind of shit, but like, how in your head are you like, all right, here we go. I see this building. Let's get 100 miles an hour and crash into it. Like.
She was going straight. I mean, it was enough time for her to reconsider. And I guess they found some sort of evidence of the boyfriend, because somehow in the I don't know what it's called. I don't know the terminology, but when they found the car, they were able to read all of the data. So they were able to find out that at no point did she stop pressing on the accelerator. At no point did she try to press on the brakes. So it was very intentional what she did. And they found some sort of evidence of the boyfriend maybe trying to move the wheel to try to stop her.
Yeah, I was gonna say, like, is he trying? Like, I'm knocking you the fuck out if you're driving like that. I'm taking the wheel.
I'm throwing myself out the window. I have a better chance of surviving doing that.
I take my chances rolling on the ground at 100 miles an hour.
Crazy.
You're going to be very dead doing that. You're going to be very dead doing that, so wouldn't recommend.
I mean, I know I'm dead either way. At least I'm going to try to get out of it. Is there an ejector seat in this thing?
Yeah, just jump out the car at 100 miles an hour.
I mean, or at least like put your seatbelt on. I don't know, like.
Yeah, that too.
I mean, there's
gosh,
probably
that's
so
insane.
much going on. Because I think they were under the influence as well, but I don't know, man. It's just imagine listening to that in the judge room. Like they, nice.
I mean, like, could Israeli defense ministers came out 6 minutes ago. We expect Trump to stand by the principle that Iran will not be nuclear, Israel will not leave the security zone, Lebanon, blah, 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 whatever. So we're just kind of squeezing right now, or what's going on here?
I don't know, but this price action is so
It's kind of funky.
Yeah. It's like we're holding these lows, but we're still not breaking these highs, and it's just, oh God. ES just struggling to clear this.
Q Mendes, that's actually good to know. Sorry. He's giving us advice if we were ever trapped in that kind of scenario.
Wait, what happened? What happened?
He said just grind the transmission, putting it from drive to reverse, because you'll end up torching it.
True.
Which is actually a good idea. I wonder if modern cars would even let you do that, though. Like, try to go from drive to reverse while the vehicle's in motion, like over a certain
probably
MPH.
Because it was more, it wasn't an old car. I would say it was like around the same year.
It would very much surprise me if that was possible. Like,
oh yeah, it'll prevent you to go.
That would make no sense. Imagine how many stupid people would actually try that.
It says the transmission's computer monitors your speed and would ignore the shift or force the car into neutral until you slow down. Interesting.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
You're more dead if you drive a Tesla? Jeez. Oh, the evidence show it went neutral a couple times, then back to drive. That's crazy.
Oh, bro, that's not. How did the two of those people not overpower this chick? I mean,
I don't know. That's what I was like. What happened? That's
well, if you're going 100 miles an hour, it starts to, it's kind of hard to overpower somebody because there's a lot of force on the car.
Dude, I would have choked her out.
I've been at 150 miles an hour. Like, you can move around. Like, it's not like you're.
Of course you can move around, but also at the same time, it's kind of like the shock. You don't expect it. It's not like she announced that she's going to go 100 miles an hour. It's like, hey, I'm going to go 100.
I guess depending on where they were driving, like 100 is not. I mean, it's fast, but like if you're on a highway, like people can do 90 to 100. And like,
dude, if you saw the video of, first of all, it was so chilling. I couldn't even imagine being the family of the people that she killed watching that live. Like some of them didn't even watch that until they were in the trial room. And they were sitting there watching it, and just imagine like a car flying down the suburban.
Oh, there's
street. Yes, because they got cameras from different angles, and they were able to piece together the way that she was driving. And because they were like, she was trying to say, "Oh, I didn't know what I was doing. I totally blacked out." And they were like, "You took some very deliberate turns. That's not someone who's under the influence. That's not someone who is." Blacking out. Like, you were very deliberate in how you did this.
Oh my gosh, I just watched it. That's crazy.
Dang, you pulled that up quick.
Bro, I'm like a detective back here.
Crazy. Wow. Yeah, it sounded like a jet. Yeah, when the car went by the last camera. And then, ugh. Anyways. God, what is this? This market has done nothing this past.
Yeah, bro. We actually look like we're gonna rip when we hit that 600 level. And we didn't do shit.
It's this 545 that's tinkering with us right now. Richard Wanika, what's up?
Richard Wanyaka, Wanya. I wonder where these people are from sometimes.
Like 100 miles per hour is what a German grandma does on the Autobahn with a compact car.
Oh, Lord.
So wait, are you both still in loss?
Yes. Well, I am.
No, I'm not.
Oh, well,
I got out of mine. I got stopped out at like 5:15.
They're really making this difficult for both sides right now, because I could argue both sides. The fact that they're rejecting this supply zone multiple times, is obviously not helping with these longs, but they are also holding these lower levels. So they're just squeezing it. ES does look like it wants to go, but it also doesn't look like it wants to go. It's hard to tell right now.
That really is though.
Okay, NQ breaking down here. Tapping into VWAP. See if they rubber band this. Try to rubber band this back up. Wow, that was really hard to say. Rubber band this.
By the way, did your live account problem get resolved?
I have to follow up. To be honest, I haven't followed up because I still see it, but I haven't really followed up with it, to be honest.
All right.
Maybe we hit 32K today. I mean,
32K. What the fuck?
32K. You're talking a record move up.
That would be fucking nuts.
If my parlay hits, I'm giving Spud $100 because he told me what to put on roulette.
What did he say?
Timothy.
Oh, wait, that's a good point. I did say to put it on black, and then he's like, "It won!" Like, yes,
that's awesome. Oh Lord. Yeah, this 15-minute looks a little dumpy so far, as long as they hold it below here, but it's 461. I could see us trying to potentially hold. Or not, just take my stop.
What a retrace from that 600. Oh my gosh.
All right, I'm out. And it's gone. Yes, rejecting previous day high. NQ crazy rejection of previous day high there. So let's see. They might try to chop it around here. I don't necessarily see us going back down to these lows, but ooh.
Yeah.
This is dirty if they do.
Mr. Jan Bang asking Spud, any GPs you see might happen?
I mean, there's the New York one, but it's down much lower at 29,346 to 381. But I mean, we might get there based on how this is moving.
I mean,
You got the 50% right now sitting here of this move.
That's not far. It's trader being what's a GP? That's the golden pocket. It's basically the Fibonacci golden ratio retracement between, actually it's a 0.618. So 61.8% retracement on Fibonacci levels.
Yeah, so we're at the 50% right now. 618 sitting at around that 390 level. 707 is at 345. And then 786 is at 314. Let's see.
Let's see.
Lizard Trader says 500-point drop incoming.
Wow.
Why is that, Lizard Trader? Enlighten us, sir.
Enlighten.
So it's a bold claim. I mean, can it happen? Sure. Maybe not. I don't think so.
I don't want to try along somewhere around here. The moment I say it's gonna
yeah, right. It's gonna dump.
What an explanation. Lizard Trader says 500-point drop incoming. I say why? Enlighten us. And he says, cause we're going to 29K. Okay.
All right.
That's not an explanation. That's just the same thing with different numbers.
Yeah. Only thing is I don't want the rejection of VWAP at 469, so I'll wait.
Yeah. I mean, dipping below the 50%, maybe we get the retrace back up. Such a sharp move down. I just not convinced.
Trader X3 says that's like saying because I said so. Very much right, Trader X3. Very much so. Spot, are you taking the GP if it goes down there? 346?
I don't think so. I think I'm just gonna let it fucking dump. It's looking pretty bearish to me right now. I just don't. Maybe we bounce off this, but like I really don't like that we went up to 600, went above it a couple times, and rejected hard off of no other news. So like now I'm kind of a little bearish.
Yeah, I'm trying to watch it too.
I wouldn't even hate a short, but I'm not. Like I could be like you said earlier, I can go either way. So I really just am watching and not doing anything.
Let's see if we get down to. I mean, this could be the IB low for all my IB traders. Maybe looking for a sweep of that. Let's see.
Do you ever trade the IB, Mary?
I've traded it, but it wasn't strictly because it was an IB. I was looking at other levels. Like I would I mainly look at opening range. So a lot of times IB will sit around those areas and then I'll notice later, oh yeah, that was the IB long or IB short.
But as far as I know you would have taken a breakout of the IB, right?
Not necessarily. If I'm seeing, for example, a lot of buyers sitting on Bookmap, if I'm seeing a lot of confluence, like support in that area, I'd much rather try the long there. I did that yesterday. I took the IB long. I got filled way late on that, but depending on the reaction, it's one of those where it could determine whether I take the long or the short. Like if we just get a flush, and then depending on if we get a push up of that area or a retest, then I'll kind of determine if that's going to be the continuation or it's just a bounce play. So like right now I'm watching, I'm seeing, if we come down, I would like to see us make a higher low. So I wouldn't even want us to get down to this IB low, but I would be curious to see how buyers step in around this pre-market, because you have pre-market low, you have opening range low, and you have previous day low, current low. So you have a lot of things in this area that are more so initiating a potential long rather than continuation. So that's why for me, if we do get down there, I'd more likely like to see a long come in than a continuation of the break.
Okay.
Interesting. A cutie little trend line here from pre-market peak to the opening candle.
Wait, there's another guy. Gen 2 says crazy. I got the same bias. Drop 500 points. Okay. What's your logic, Gen 2? Except because it's going to 29K. Let's hear it.
We didn't have any news that came out, right? It was just
no
market being a market. Like right here, I could see us potentially trying to hold right where we just dipped down.
I mean, it is the GP, like literally in that pocket.
All right,
just like scared. Are you taking it?
Yeah. Well, if I get filled.
At 46?
I won't get filled. Maybe. Probably not. I have a limit order and it's going. It's like, screw your limit order. Oh, you rat. Okay. Never mind. Canceling that. Fine. That's fine. Could still get some resistance here at 460. So if this is the GP and it goes, like, this needs to go.
Yeah. It has to be like a hard bounce.
Ideally, yeah. Ideally.
Went to the 618.
Still have 3 minutes left on this candle, so still time. SpaceX shares indicated to open at $165 each. IPO price $135.
Yep. Are you gonna buy it?
SpaceX?
Yes.
Nah. I've learned my lessons from buying IPOs. AKA Rivian.
AKA Rivian.
Rivian freaking screwed me.
Let's see. What did we
SpaceX
set?
IPOs and just fucking dies. Sorry.
Did we set a new like goal for the next giveaway? I don't think so. Let's set one now. 701. 701 likes for another giveaway.
That's an interesting ass couple candles here.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
whoa.
Holy shit.
All right, what came out?
Is that SpaceX IPO?
No.
Not yet.
You guys, I'm so over this shit.
Bro.
This is how you get me to read. Oh my gosh. Yep, whoever caught that, good for you. God,
wow.
The Congo man
that
caught
did
it.
not get filled on that. That is amazing.
The Congo man caught it.
Holy shit.
Also,
that was a
Aruma
200
Trades.
point
That's
candle.
insane.
Caught it. Timothy caught it.
200 points.
Wow.
Pain. Absolute pain. Yeah. Yep. All right. Well, if anyone's in this, watch this previous day high. We really need to get back above this. ES needs to clear the 720 or 428. Because if we still we get these freaking moves, what's so frustrating? It's like they're ripping it and then they're rejecting these levels. Sellers step in. It's extremely frustrating. Real Chris.
Yeah, that was crazy.
Oh, good lord.
All right, now we rip, I guess. What do we know what the Iran's foreign minister, the Islamabad Memorandum of Understanding, has never been closer. I mean, they're just manipulating this fucking market.
Yeah,
we're watching this happen in real time.
It's asinine. I'm not.
Oh my god.
I just keep checking my longs. Okay.
Oh my fuck.
All right. Well,
here's a trend line here at 600. If this breaks, I mean, it's literally gone.
happy.
Happy.
Oh, pain. Oh my god. You fucking rat.
Wow.
Anyone who caught this, congratulations. I would definitely be back holding this.
Oh my god.
Dude, what the heck?
I literally this is the funniest shit to watch. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Wow. That is so funny to watch.
So much for Lizard Trade's 500 point down move.
Oh,
and the other guy. Don't remember the other guy.
I closed my long for 20 points a minute before the pump. Oh, honestly, that's even more pain. It's even more pain. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's okay. It's okay.
Question is, Wolf Pops, why did you close? Because if that was your plan to close there, then you're all good. You are all good. Then we have 2 lizard traders in the chat. Lizard Trades and the Lizard Trader. Well, not you, Lizard Trades, the other one. The other one said it's going to go down 500 points. Now, since he said that, we're up 150.
Happy, happy, happy.
It's like cry laugh. Cry laugh.
It's just like you just watch it and you're like, I'm in just disbelief. Oh my goodness.
Thanks, guys. I made 11K along today. You know what? That's great. That's amazing. It's amazing. If people are making money on this, congrats. I'm genuinely happy for you. I'm just not so happy for myself.
Oh wait, because you didn't get filled on the long right before that?
Yes. I had the order sitting there and I was 2 points away from getting filled. And it Yep. Rest is history.
Wow.
Oh, I love this version of Matcha Mommy. I don't know what this version is. The sad version. The crash out version.
The crash out version. Wow. I really wish I was in that long or some shit. Oh my gosh. I just watched it. Oh my gosh. Insane. With my $250 day, my funded. I took the babyest little long earlier.
You locked out there.
Yeah, I literally locked out. Wait, where did I get? I got in right here. I sold at 344 right there. Literally. Oh my god! And then fucking 345 points later. And I just literally watched a GP go nuts too. I mean, granted, that was news, but like that GP was fucking beautiful.
That was.
But you didn't want to take it anyways. I mean,
no,
you said
I didn't.
Before it happened, you said you're not going to take it.
Now
it hurts even worse that I said that.
Well, why did you say it? Why did you say it?
Just because like we rejected 600 so hard like a couple times and it looked good, and then we had to squeeze, and then we rejected, and then we had only red candles down to the GP and no news, and that just had me worried that we were going to reject and kind of maybe see the lows of today, not like yesterday, but like Asia lows again or London lows. I just didn't want to take it, and now I'm like, what the fuck was I thinking?
I mean, at this point, they better rip it. Like, what are we doing?
Yeah.
Just rip it.
Yeah, like tapping this high right here. Like, how do we not rip past that? We literally just said we're having a peace deal with Iran.
Like, what the heck are we doing?
But it moved 300 points. I mean.
Yeah, but why are we just not breaking these? Like, break these levels then. 650, 660 has some sellers sitting there, so we do need to clear those areas. 675 is still going to be that level. Timothy, are you still in your longs? I mean, that was a dirty drop that we got there, but depending on where your entry was, this rip was insane.
Yeah, fucking Timothy, he was up 15 bands earlier. He's probably up a fucking boatload now.
If he's still in, definitely. I
want to see us above this red area. If we triple top this again, I will physically crash out. I'm not even in the trade, but I'm like, break it.
Oh my god. I know, yeah, I'm not even in this. I'm just like, come on, just send it.
Chat, for those of you who message me on Instagram, you're going to probably receive 1,000 messages randomly that just say test message, whenever it starts working again. But I'll be gone for the weekend. Everybody have a nice weekend.
All right.
Everybody have a nice weekend. Miriam, Spud, enjoy. And then I'll see you Monday for the London session.
Nice. Bye,
right.
Nick. Have a good weekend.
See ya.
See you guys. You too.
All right. Man.
All right.
Like, I wouldn't even hate trying to freaking short this here. Just because how many times we've failed it.
Yeah, literally. Honestly.
But watch this be the one time that we actually rip.
Yeah,
Lord.
that's true.
Yes, coming back into the supply zone. The supply zone I have is a pretty thick supply zone. It's a thickie. 74.49 to 91. So 40 points. Did I get that? It's a 4-hour. Why did I get that on the 4-hour? Let's see. Oh yeah, that's why.
That's right.
Very interesting. And then 3-hour too.
I'm gonna take a paper short for funsies. Oh my gosh, why is it always 750,000 cons? I just want to do 250.
It's like you said you wanted that Lambo.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, this looks crazy. Is anyone in a trade right now?
I wish I was holding along right now.
Dang. Oh, Timothy, so you're out of your trade? I got stopped out on a trailing stop in my previous trade at 533 and then re-entered at 631. Okay. Nice.
Fire.
Are we getting this PA because Elon just listed SpaceX on a NASDAQ? No, I think this is all just war news.
Mm-hmm.
Dang, Quantix, you're killing it. Killing it.
Killing it. All right, shorts from 656. Let's cook. YOLO short.
Oh, wow. Nice. Yeah, see,
I
that's
actually
what I mean.
took this on the side too. On lighter size, just 3 micros, but
it just makes sense. Like, I get it. It's something where you have a very, very small risk and your reward is huge because this is the third time we've come to this level, at least on a higher time frame, but
literally had a 22-point stop. Why did I not size higher? Oh, I'm so pissed.
Yeah, this is on the 1 hour.
Send it to
1,
Hal.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times we've rejected these areas. So do I hate a short up here? Absolutely not. Do I want it to rip? Also, absolutely I do.
Yeah. Wow.
Crazy.
Happy. You mean 30 minis? I wish. Oh my god, could you imagine if I shorted
30
up
minis? I would throw up. Because 10 minis is already too much. Oh gosh. So are you guys doing your speaking of weddings, are you guys doing your planning already? Because yours is coming up in 2 months.
Yeah, it's coming up in 2 months. Yeah, most of it left are like seating charts, and then we have to pick out we got a gelato cart to be outside, so we got to pick out like our gelato flavors.
Oh, yum. That's sick.
Yeah. It was like a fun little it's definitely more money than it should be for gelato, but like it was one of those things where like we both loved gelato when we first started dating. I bought her like for Valentine's Day, I got her like 14 things of gelato from our favorite place, and so like it's like a little inside joke. So we got
here's some package diabetes.
Yeah.
I love you.
I love you. Here you go. Get fat.
That's super cool though. I love that.
Yeah, it was a cool little like fun perk thing we wanted to do. Also, I got trail out break even on this. I think my wedding invitation got lost in the mail. Can you send it? Yeah, okay, it's on the way, dog. On the way.
Oh man.
Yeah, we're pretty much done. I don't think there's any.
Wait, did you have a bachelor party?
It's at the end of July. So like pretty much like a couple weeks before the wedding. It was the only way that my friend who lives in India was able to come for both the bachelor party and the wedding because of visas. So like he was either he would have to miss the bachelor if we had it any sooner, but he could be here for like a couple weeks before he has to go home. So then we lined it up so that he would stay for both.
Oh, that's nice. That makes sense.
Yeah.
What a great friend you are, buddy.
Yeah. Well, we were edging the, before the wedding. I don't know if fiance's too happy that, that I can't get sunburned. Like that's 2 weeks away. Like I gotta, the boys gotta take care of me.
Yeah, for you. Well, seeing how we've had our Miami trips, that might be hard to.
Well, funny thing is, it'll be in Miami. So I told Brett, I'm like, you're gonna have to come out for the night that we like go out hard.
Oh boy. Here we go. What is she doing for her bachelorette?
She already had it. They went to where did they go? They went somewhere in Florida, like on the Panhandle, and had like a beach type of bachelorette. Like got a boat, like went around, did.
Oh, nice.
Bar hopping on it and stuff like that. So
that's fine.
Yeah.
That's fine. Oh man. Imagine you turn the pizza party into the bachelor party.
I'm like, all right, everybody, I'm gonna rent out an entire club. Everybody come on, let's go.
The Spud Pizza Party / bachelor party.
Spud Pizza Party.
With Jay's girlfriend. Oh no.
With Jay's girlfriend. Oh yeah, she leaves today. Godspeed, Jay. This is gonna be the hardest weekend of your life if you aren't already broken up, but good luck.
Is this the day?
Today's the day, June 12th.
Today is the day? Oh, R.I.P.
Today is the day. R.I.P. to Jay's girl and Jay. Well, not R.I.P. to her, just R.I.P. to Jay.
Yeah. R.I.P. to his heart.
Yeah.
Oh man.
6'7" Williams, buddy. You let her go and party in Miami. Oh, she wasn't in Miami, but she was in Florida. And yes, I'm marrying her, so I trust her 100%. I've known her for 8 years.
That would be crazy.
That would be nuts.
Oh my gosh.
Oki's comments. Dude, I love how he puts the ooh at the end of it. That's so funny.
Oh gosh. Will there be French fries at your wedding?
Yeah. Oh yes. Yes, actually. We're gonna do so we talked to the club and like they they'll have like you can do finger food at the like late night snacks. Like they were talking like sliders and whatever. And I'm like, no. I just want to cater McDonald's. I want a fuck ton of cheeseburgers, McDonald's, and French fries.
Yeah.
So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna have a massive table of McDonald's, and I'm gonna rip that shit at like 11, and then get right back onto the dance floor.
Hey, let's go. And then make sure you have enough bathrooms after.
Yeah. It's funny. My one buddy, he's like super into cologne. Like he probably has like 25 bottles. I mean, he always smells super nice. It's always different. He's gotten me cologne and like I wear it all the time. It's called my slutty cologne. But he's gonna
you're slutty.
Slutty. It's Jimmy Choo, by the way, if anybody was wondering. It's a phenomenal scent. But we're gonna have him set up like you know how like in sometimes when you go to clubs or nice restaurants, the bathrooms have like the service person in there who like will help you at the top. We're gonna set up like a bunch of cologne and shit in the bathroom with like mouth like like how they do it like in the clubs and whatnot. I was like, you gotta bring a bunch of your colognes and just set them up.
Have like snacks and random things too.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh my gosh. What Jimmy Choo is it? I want to know.
I think it's Jimmy Choo Intense.
Ooh, Intense.
He literally told me when he gave it to me. He's like, this is a slutty cologne. I'm like, all right, bet.
All right, bet.
Yeah, Jimmy Choo Man Intense. It's fire.
I gotta go smell it now. There's so many out there. Oh my god, I have so
Dude, I
many
love cologne. So
perfumes.
good.
Oh jeez, way too many.
Wait, ABJ, I love that. Get a nice piece of jewelry with a sapphire blue for wedding.
Ooh. Yep, something blue.
I gotta sneeze. I have a sneeze so bad. Oh my gosh, that was at the tip of my nose. Oh, it hurts.
That was a cute little
Wow.
attempt at a sneeze.
Wow.
All right.
Would you say a sapphire necklace, a bracelet, a ring? What would it be?
We're trying to short up here.
I like it. I didn't get wicked out. I'm still in from 657.
Nice.
ABJ, what would it be?
From the toes to the nose. Do you have plans this weekend?
From the toes to the nose. Yeah, I'm seeing Rufus the Soul tonight, which I'm fucking pumped for. Holy shit, it's gonna be so sick. And
That's amazing.
My sister has a party tomorrow for her birthday. Yeah, and then Sunday I'm just gonna be dead. So.
Oh my gosh.
What about you? What are you doing?
Going to the driving range. Or not driving range, the shooting
Oh,
range.
nice. Oh, the shooting. I was like, wait. I'm like, golf or do you mean
I don't
shooting?
know why I said driving range. I meant the shooting range.
Wait, that's sick. I have never actually been to a shooting range. I've only I went to an outdoor one with my buddies so we could shoot like the clay pigeon, like the where you throw the shit in the air with the shotguns, which was a ton of fun.
Oh, that is fun.
I've never been to a shooting range.
I've actually never been to one either, but first time, so we'll see.
That's gonna be cool. You gotta shoot some cool ass shit.
I know. It's gonna be a good time.
Are you gonna shoot like? Do you know what you're gonna shoot? Like handguns, rifles. Like, do you get? Are there some? I'm sure it's Vegas. You gotta have some cool ass guns. Like, can you shoot like machine guns and shit?
Maybe not machine guns. It's gonna be I don't know what kind of handguns they're gonna give us, but I know well I'll find out and probably take some videos and after it be like
we're gonna have to post that.
See that? Don't even try to come at me.
You stay away. She's strapped.
Oh man, yeah, it's big in Vegas. Vegas is it's almost like they entice you to do it. Kind of crazy. Very different from California. Let me tell you. What is it different in Chicago? You can't have that in Chicago, huh? Like concealed carry.
No, apparently you can have a revolver in the city, but like our apartment building doesn't let you have guns, and you're not supposed to have guns in the city. But outside of the city, in suburbs, you can have guns as long as you have a 40 card. So like, we have a few guns at my house. My fiance's dad has quite a bit. He's got a Barrett. Tell your husband. He's got a Barrett 50 cal. He literally has a 50 cal.
Did you hear that, honey?
Sniper.
He's probably gonna text me right now and be like, "Dude, that's sick."
Dude, it's literally crazy. It's so heavy. It's so cool. I was like, whenever shit happens, we are going right to his house.
Oh my gosh, that's actually wild. That is.
Dude, it's so dope.
Wild. No guns.
It's in this massive. It's huge. It's in this massive case. It's so it's $6 a round. It's crazy.
Dang.
You literally can't. You can't go to a regular range to shoot it. You have to go to like a very special.
Or is that cheap?
$6 a round. Yeah, for
a round.
Bullet. Yeah. Every round you shoot basically costs $6.
That's a lot.
Dude,
no?
the bullets are the size of your hand's so small. It's like 2 of your hands.
Oh wow.
They're huge.
Dang.
It's so cool. It's so cool.
Some people in the chat. 50 cal. 50 caliber.
50 caliber. Nuts. A Patek? Timothy, get one.
Oh my god! I just looked it up.
How does an apartment keep you from owning a gun? It's in the contract you signed for the lease. You can't smoke cigarettes, or you can't smoke inside your apartment. A lot of apartments do that. Yeah, it's just apartment or the building policy.
That's insane. I'm just reading some of the comments. These are funny. Oh man.
M200 intervention. I've always wanted. Yeah, Timothy, me too. I've always wanted an intervention. I'll never get one. It's an MW. If anybody in the chat doesn't know, it's an MW2 reference for the quick scoping.
Oh my God, Jonathan, chill.
Wait, what's so funny is he was saying it the other day, and I was like, yeah, I'm like, we can have a bukkake, and I said it, and I was saying it, and then I didn't realize what it actually was. I was just like, I didn't realize what he was saying, and then after the stream, I remember looking it up, and I was like, I can't believe I agreed to that on the stream.
You looked it up,
dude. Even the Wikipedia version of it has an image of what it is, and it's crazy. Yes, it does. The first thing I did was open up Google Images, and I hit the unblur and was like, why did I do that?
Unblur. Okay. Chat, this is not safe for work. Do not look this up.
Yeah, not safe at all.
Oh no. Oh my God.
Oh my God. And then I'm like, I can't even believe that this is going to be on my search history now.
Yeah. Oh gosh.
Oh God. Literally insane.
Real Crispy says, what kind of cake is that?
Real Crispy, you should look it up, dude. Oh my God.
My gosh.
I have played Cards Against Humanity. I fucking love that game, but I've never had that kind of party show up.
Dude, have you ever seen that? There's this one guy on social media, and he has this cat, and he calls it
Bukkake party.
Jesus Christ. I quit. It's
Anyway,
been a great day, guys.
He's got a cat.
I was going the direction of Cards of Humanity.
Okay.
Oh
Yeah.
God! All right.
Hey,
well,
he's got a cat.
never mind.
Okay. What's the cat do?
Oh gosh. Anyways, the cat, the cat will pick Cards of Humanity cards. He calls it Bloop Cat or something like that, because the cat will just jump at the card. And he always has these Cards of Humanity cards ready to go, and it's like, would you rather? And then the cat picks a card something crazy.
That's so good. I love it.
It's really funny.
Yeah, let me see.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. All right, well, these longs are longin', I guess. Heading towards 747, next target up. ES trying to break out of this pre-market high. So let's see if we actually get the push here. Like I said, ES is still in a supply zone. So from an overall standpoint, again, just to reiterate, I want to see, you got to zoom out, right? You got to zoom out. I'm actually might even zoom out to the 4 hour just to show this better. But right here where we're up at, this is Tuesday's highs. So the supply zone that we're sitting in is essentially from Friday, but it includes Tuesday. So I would want to see us above, at minimum, 747, which we're coming up to right now. We're not too far. 800. I know Quant had pointed out that level there, and I do see that on Bookmap. There is a wall of sellers sitting there. But right after that, I don't really see much until 850. Not even 900 really. Maybe it'll step in later, but the next level after that that's significant on the order flow is 928. Maybe even 950 area. So if we can get up there, I would say holding above, and I don't know if we see this today, but holding above 940, like I said, I think we start heading up towards these all-time highs. And so that's going to be the overall level that I look at. So 940 in general, but so far for today, I want to see 800 and 747. Yeah, the candles are crazy, right?
Yeah, it's been an insane day. Insane range, such a wide range of volatility, and then just little God candle.
It's been an insane week. Look at the freaking week we've had. Absolutely nuts. Since Friday.
Yeah, this week has been
Monday was. what was Monday? That was Friday. Oh no, it was Friday. Monday we had a little bit of a rest day, and then Tuesday was just Friday 2.0, and then Wednesday was just another range day, and then I don't even know. So let's see. We're kind of megaphoning too on the 4 hour, but I don't know, man. It's a crazy week. It's a good week to buy the fucking dip.
Yeah. Sugar, it's so funny.
Love that. This has been a fun week making bank off 1 micro. Nice, Dion. Yeah.
Hell yeah, dude.
If you just held on, like we've had such crazy swings. I mean, the average swing of the week I feel like has been about 600 points. So not even
like actually.
Yeah, like Tuesday alone was 1,200 points. And then you had overnight swings of like 600-700 points. And if you would have, even yesterday we had what was that? 577 up to today. Yeah, over 1,000. That's 1,200 points from yesterday's low. Like, what the heck?
Bro, I mean, that is just like, and it's funny that like the hardest part about all this is that we'll trade this for, another week or whatever, and it'll feel like a norm. And then we're gonna go back to trading at some point, just 100 to 200 point swings, and be like, this is the most boring shit ever. Like honestly, fuck it. Give us this volatility forever now.
Yeah, we're gonna be looking back and be like, bring the Trump tweets back.
Bro, actually, I was looking at my journal for this week on Tradeify, and I'm like, how the fuck is this one of my best weeks? Like this, I've been complaining every single day about how much this range annoys me.
Right?
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
No, it actually doesn't though, which is just crazy.
I don't know, man.
Like I'm resyncing my journal because I haven't synced it. Like it. Like, I'm gonna LARP so hard on Instagram after this.
I've been loving your posts on.
Bro, it's so funny. It's literally so much fun. Yeah, like this. Yeah, June's been nuts. Oh my god, what the fuck? I'm actually going back in my journal. Not including my Grand Cup trades, all of May had 2 red days.
Really?
I never look at my journal. I just trade.
Right.
And like I've never looked back and I'm like, what the fuck?
I normally don't either. And then there'll be one day where I'm like,
look back at your journal. It's probably fucking cracked. And then you're just like, wait, actually I'm kind of good at this.
I'm kind of cooking.
Like I'm kind of like it a little bit. Yeah, sometimes it doesn't feel like it, but like,
oh man,
maybe cooking. Like, look at this fucking May.
Oh my god! Wait, go to Spud.
Let's look at all that. I did smoke DLL that one day.
24K in 1 week, dude. I
was going fucking ape shit. Yeah.
God, you had a red day of $189,
and it pissed me off.
Yeah, you only took 5 trades. What do you mean?
Yeah, I know, but it made me mad.
So
I had to come back with vengeance. Yeah,
wait,
this week too. Like
this is way better than what's going on in my charts.
I don't think I even lost yesterday. I don't know why it's showing that. I know I won yesterday. I don't know what this loss is, but yeah, May was cool. Do I have anything before that? No, there's May. Dude, some of these are smaller days though, because I was going for the payout, and that you can always tell when I get the payout, and then have to come like if I lose, like I have to climb back up.
Yeah,
so, like, that's why I was hitting those bigger P&Ls days, and then this week.
Dude,
this
you freaking rock that. Nutty. Heck yeah. That's definitely what you should use to LARP.
Yeah. Wait, I'll post this. I'll post plus 61K. I'll edit out this little dip. We don't want to see the dip.
No one needs to see that.
No one needs to see this 12K loss on Wednesday.
Oh my god. Dude, heck yeah.
That's so funny.
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
So did you
I'm also
were you green on today too? Or are you green technically right now?
Yeah, because I just had the I just went for the $250 day today. Because this is when I ruin myself, because I'll go for the $250 day, I'll lose, and then I'll trade like 6 more times after, and then exactly like you saw, like where I lose like 12K, because I'll just keep going. So I have to like stop myself. Like if I lose, I just gotta lock out, because all I need are like, that's the best about like whether it's growth or select. Like you just need a couple more days, and like,
I know,
knock out another payout. Like you're already above the buffer because of the buffer we require you to get. And the consistency, you're usually already above it after the payout. So then you only need to get those $250 days or 5 $250 days, and then boom, another payout.
Yeah.
Like,
yeah.
Lock in, guys. Come on.
Lock in.
Lock in.
Locking in this crazy volatility that, can just wipe you out in seconds.
Yeah, true. Like literally wipe your ass out.
Oh gosh. No, I mean, if you didn't have a good week, like don't take it rough. It's not an easy week.
Yeah, I mean, this has been a literal shit show of a week.
Yeah. Okay, let's see.
I mean, it's a terrible comment, but there is a really funny comment, but it's not a good comment to repeat out loud, but it is just, I would just read like a few up. It's pretty funny. Straight horrible week after passing an eval. It is super unlucky sometimes. You pass an eval and then you have a bad week and you're like, seriously, like I just tried I spent so much time and effort on an eval. Like, but don't let it get you down. It is just the market. It's just the timing of the market. Have a bad week. It is what it is. You can bounce back or, work your way on another eval, but you're not alone in having a bad week after passing an account. I feel like that's a common thing to happen. And it's a frustrating thing when you first pass an eval and then go fund it and your first trade is like red and you're just like,
dude, the worst.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Yeah, it just sets the tone. You're like, great. Now I have to get out of
the tone.
Yeah.
There have been times where I literally just like, fuck it. I'm just going to full port it. I'll try it again. Cause like my mentality when I lose, I'm so pissed. I'm like, I hate that 49K number. Like, or 149 or,
right.
or 99. I'm like, you motherfucker.
Or that 48K or even 47. It's like, oh crap, now it's gone.
Yeah.
Oh my god, the worst. Well, chat.
Yes,
yeah, I'm watching this. The 747 we did wick above. We could start finding some. Like we could start slowing down around here. This could be just where we maybe slowly grind back up unless we get some sort of news come out and then we get another pump candle. But I could see us going through this 769 to 946 area, which I know it's a big zone, 200 point zone. But I could see us finding a little bit of like think of it as going through it as if it's molasses. Okay, like it's like sap. So yes, we'll probably get through it, but it'll take a little bit of time for us to get there. But I don't know. What do you think? Do you think we're gonna where do you think we'll close on the end of the day?
I honestly have zero clue. I would say bullish. We're obviously teetering on this level from Monday's high at 743. Yeah. So I wouldn't be surprised if we sold a little bit of the news into the afternoon, maybe pump back up. But I mean, I'm outrageously bullish on the market in general. I just don't know if we overextended from the morning or if we continue to grind up. We're up 400 points from that news candle basically, and we did this yesterday, but we closed high yesterday. So like you said, I feel like it could just be a slow grind up for the rest of the day. I just think regardless of what we do today, next week I'm going to be hyper bullish.
Yeah, I agree.
Unless some terrible shit happens this weekend, which
I know that's
it's absolutely possible.
I know it's the looming thing that's over us every single week. when you go into this, especially going into the weekend. But yeah, there is a wick to fill here at 737 up to 848. So again, those sellers are sitting there at 800. So if you are in a long, just be mindful of those levels. But other than that, I'm not looking at anything else for the rest of the day. But that being said, of course, we will have regular scheduled programming. But we're going to be having our guest on today, PB Investing, as a guest host. So don't go anywhere. We're going to go on a quick commercial break, and then we'll be back later.
Hell yeah. Peace out, everybody. Enjoy the rest of your morning.
Bye, guys.
See you.